Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm host Martin, and this episode 481. Alts moving and XRP crash. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We're all done what you're thinking. Also, you're going to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, join us on the Discord, links in the description. So it's linked to Twitter in case you also want to engage with us there. And on that note, let's go through some chat real quick. Bring Facts, what's up? Thank you for being here, man. Steve, how's it going, man? Oh, you thought you were the first? No, you were second, man, but close. FIFA, hey, what's up, dude? Todd,
what's up?
Thank you for that. Bitcoin Fight Club, what's up, man? How's it going? Pedro, new? Sure, man. Put new on the list. Amay, what's up? The wait is over. Yo, the big Kamal, what's up? Philip, thanks for being here. Much appreciated, man.
What's up?
It's TA the City Crypto. Yeah, awesome. Let's let me get new on the list. That one was the one that I didn't have on the list, but Everything else has already been queued, so there we go. On that note, let's actually move on to markets, right, and see what's happening with crypto. Go to market cap. 5 beer. Thank you for being here. Inimical tube. Yo, what's up? Keep calling the XRP. Yeah. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Hot Lady A. Yeah, it was a good day for ADA, right? It did pump. It's pulling back a little bit, but it pumped very, very nicely. Adele, what's up? Can I chart Litecoin? Sure, it's already in the list. Don't worry about that. Wow, the list is not updating for some reason. I already saved it, but it's weird that it's not really uploading it. That's just awkward, man. There we go. I have to manually upload it now. No, that's not the list, man. It's the wrong list. It loaded for some reason. I'm not sure. It pulls it from like an internet file, right? An HTML file that I have, and it wasn't refreshing for some reason, which is awkward. So on that note, let's keep rolling. What is happening with the market cap, right? Let's start with market cap and see what's going on there. Well, it's probably dumping because something. Dracula, it's next, sure, man. One quick second. That was a wife checking if I was live. Did I mess up the HTML? No, dude, I just been adding and deleting that. I mean, I can go through the code again, but I don't believe I messed it up, so. It's just not upload. Like, yesterday it uploaded to the end. It's just when I came in, it wasn't refreshing for some reason. That's weird. Comp, sure. I'm writing down the list, guys, right before I actually get going, so. Right now, as I say hi to everyone, Cash, what's up? Thank you for being here, man. False flags. What's up? Thank you for being here. So as I'm going through the list, I'm also updating it or taking that time to update it right now. That way, when I start, when we have the queue up, right? SNX next, and after that, we got comp. Great. Save. There we go. It should all be there, man. It should all be there. Good. Thanks. Thank you for the well wishes. Yes, I'm fine. Thank you. Much appreciated. Right, let's roll. It is Monday. Happy Monday, guys. We had a great beginning of the week. A great trading day today. Let's move on to see what's going on here in crypto, right? Market cap. Market did go up. Again, we're really having a hard time getting above $1 trillion, right? We waked it. We did go high into $1 trillion, but unfortunately, we managed to close below at $994.71 billion. Remember, I told you guys we want to be above $1 trillion. We're just not getting there. Tiger, what's up? Thank you for being here. So we're still below $1 trillion. Yesterday, still positive at 1.72. Right now, we're moving down a little bit. So again, rejecting $1 trillion. We have wicked above it, but fell into sustain. Nothing else developing on the daily for market cap. We still have that hidden bullish, just consolidating. Again, could potentially, if we were to draw the falling wedge that we have for Bitcoin here and go with the wicks, right? We're looking at something like that, potentially, right? If I use the wicks, there we go. 1, 2, 3 wicks, right? Now at the bottom, I mean, I'm not sure if I want to use that wick. It would be kind of for FOMO. It could be a triangle that we would be making, but if I ignore that wick, go from here and just go like this, yeah, probably down something channel. But again, we have a line of resistance right at the top, and that's what I wanted to highlight, and that's the area that we're rejecting on market cap. That's what we're failing to get above $1 trillion, and it's gonna get harder now because we're just facing that resistance. So let's see if we can actually manage to get above and close above that area. That would be good for crypto in general. Being above $1 trillion should be a sign of strength and really could help us out move things up. Joshua Davis, thank you for being here. we're still above that 20 moving average, which again is fine. Moving down slightly, but we'll see how the day carries on. Right now, losing 0.10% of market cap. Let's go to Bitcoin dominance at 62.99%. So it lost a little bit of dominance, 0.52 today, gaining 0.37. Price of Bitcoin has gone up to $33,664. But before we look at that, we're going to look at the Bitcoin futures. And what I want to see is whether or not we've closed this gap here. I think we got close enough. Is it going to let me to move it? Yeah, we closed the gap, right? By all means, we've closed the gap, right? We open here. We did move up, wick that top. Right, I'm gonna try to hide the Bollinger Bands. Gonna give you guys a better view of this, but have moved up, right? Close that wick that we had to 34,885 on the futures market. We did hit a high of $35,000, and then we rejected, and now we're moving down. So gap closed, great. That being said, I'm not super excited for that, because we failed to move higher. Right now, the futures market's at 33,815. We're sitting at 33,677. See how the market keeps on moving. James, thanks for being here, man. Oh, great one. Dude, I'm not sure. We'll see what the market has in store for us, right? It's not like fortune telling. What was it, dude? From Big, the machine that made Tom Hanks big. I forgot the name, but anyways. Instead of crypto, you look at Crow. Sure, dude. Why not? Let's put Crow on the list. I'll do this before I actually jump onto the Bitcoin analysis. James, thanks for being here early, I guess. Scott G, happy Monday, man. The Crow coin. There we go. Bitcoin, where is it at? What's it doing? Well, still stuck in a range. Yesterday, we did manage to wick above 34,400. We just got to a high of 34,700. Right now, we have gone up, hit that 20 again, and rejecting. So we're still in the same channel, right? Still between 34,438 and 33,309. Not necessarily a bad thing. It has given some alts a chance to move. Coin Fitzgerald, thank you for being here. And yes, Saltar. I am not Saltar to like print you a small ticket and tell you great wisdom tonight. All I can tell you is like more or less what I'm expecting to see on the markets, and that is just very much my opinion. Again, people might have different opinions, right? But thank you for the save there, Colin. I'll give you one up for that, man. Yay for the save there with the Saltar. Let's go to Bitcoin. Let's go to Bitcoin 4 hour to see what's gonna happen, right? And while I'm here, I just want to talk something real quick on the 1 hour, because I'm going to show this on XRP. Look at what happened here with the Elon tweet, right? We took a nice rally to the upside just to be short-lived and crash back down. And you could say that Elon tweet would have been interpreted as a bullish sign in the market. And seeing that pullback and seeing what the people on XRP were organizing, it was kind of like a similar thing, right? Where people just were getting together to pump an asset. They believed that if they did that, they're going to have amazing results. And then we saw a massive crash in XRP. We're going to cover that, but, you know, we'll keep on, just keep this in mind that this happened on Bitcoin a couple days ago. And now we're seeing it also happen more or less similar in XRP. Let's go to the 4 hour Bitcoin. We shorted at 1,399. Wow, we'll check it out, man. No, sure, no problem. Barath, what's up? Hello, aloha. Right. Had some hidden divergence here. Potential action to the upside. That's great. We did move up on that 4 hour chart. Again, to the 20, we just rejected it. We're rejecting it again. We're trying to break above that 20, but that 20 is proving to be a strong resistance. Yo, thank you for being here. So again, trying to break above the 20, facing as resistance right now. We have wicked above it, but we have not been able to sustain a close above it. Here we close, and then the next candle broke back down. Here we tried to, then we opened here slightly higher, but crashed below that 20. So it's not looking super bullish right now. We're starting to channel on the Bollinger Bands. That means that volatility is leaving the market, and we should be expecting a wild swing to happen, or a wild move when volatility comes back in. We don't know if it's going to be to the upside or the downside, right? If it's to the downside, we know supports already. 31, 30,000, 29,000, right? 29,100. the downside. So to the upside, we have the 34,400 and then 37,393. So something's gonna come through, I guess, in a second. There we go.
Good breakdown of Cosmos Atom. 10.60 high soon.
Good breakdown of Cosmos Atom. Sure, I guess you want me to look at Atom. 10.60 soon? Sure, man, why not? Give me that dab pull with the legendary, man.
Legendary.
Thank you very much for
Thank
that,
you very
man.
much.
American Infidel for the awesome $5 donation, man. I'll do that right after Bitcoin, right? Let me finish Bitcoin. I'll jump onto Cosmos, skipping the queue. So let me put it on the list so we know we're going to check it out. And App and Atom, right? That's what we're going to do right after. Dude, thank you very much for the tip, dude. I appreciate that. Right, so below 20, tightness of the Bollinger Bands, expecting to see a move happen. We don't know if it's going to go to upside or downside. When we were looking at the curves, if you remember when we went on Bitcoin and shown that curve of the parabolic advance, we saw that after like approximately the 4th week, we had another drop. They hit that bottom of the curve and then bounce on Bitcoin. If that is to be the truth and what we could be expecting to see here, that could potentially bring that move down. And I'm just going to show that real quick to compare it here on the 4-hour. So I'll put on the weekly, go on log scale. Weekly log scale and hide the Bollinger Bands because we're gonna make it really bad. And I do believe that should be this chart, right? Okay. So remember here on Bitcoin, we had this move where we went sideways for a candle, undid that pump, right? Then moved sideways for 3 weeks and then dropped another 23%. Right? So what we're looking at right now, and then the week after that, we pumped bullish engulf and then just kept on railing. So what I'm looking at here, if we are to be on that same area, we are at week 4 already. So we're starting week 4. So one candle, the second week undid the previous candle. Now we're moving sideways more or less, right? Look at where we're at. Almost where the other Bitcoin is. Right on the chart, more or less the same area. And we could be on the next week, expect probably a movement down. That wouldn't be 100% weird. And if we go from here or whatever this manages to close to here, we're looking at that 35% move, potentially. And we'll see where we go from there, right? But again, I'm not saying it's going to break down. I'm saying that if we are to play like it played back here, after that 3-week period, the movement was down, very close to that curve, right? That parabolic advance. We didn't actually hit it, and then we bounced. So that doesn't really mean we have to hit the curve. We can definitely get close to it, right? And even here, it will still be a drop to 24K potentially if the movement is to the downside, right? That would be our 27% move before we try to bounce. Yeah, thanks, man. I appreciate that, American Infidel. Thank you very much. So that being said, again, if Bitcoin with the tightness that is starting to show on the 4-hour starts to like basically move a little bit sideways still this week, we started yesterday, and still carries on to that tightness for next week, which is probably going to be too long of a time period for it to channel right on the 4-hour chart. We could be looking at a potential drop maybe if we try to play like we did back on 2017, right? Not saying that's going to be the exact same case, but could be close to that. Right. Again, right now we don't have anything else that is super strong on the bullish, right? Hidden bullish, going up again, resisting at 34,000. It's just been a strong resistance, right? We have not been able to get above it. We also know that we have a good support here at 33,000. We've just been channeling there for the last couple of days. Again, below that 20, nothing else happening here. Low, high, negative, less negative. Low on the RSI, slightly higher, neutral at 51.51. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. 1-hour Bitcoin. Perfect. We had bearish divergence, hidden bearish divergence, and we climbed a little bit more, right? that tracks onto there. And guess what? We still have that hidden bearish divergence. Sorry, guys. 1 quick second. There's like something stuck in the back of my throat. I had dinner right before I started the stream, and something there that's like bothering me, I guess. Actually gonna take one of this I'll see if it helps me clear it out, man. I should call Cadbury Adams or whoever makes halls and tell them, like, dude, you want to sponsor my videos? Right? We'll see. Nah, it's not COVID, dude. I've been fine, dude, the whole day. So I had dinner. I had like chicken with some sauce and salad, and I think something in the sauce is giving me that. It feels like I have something in the back of my throat that hasn't cleared. So we'll see. Plus, probably doesn't help the fact that I'm drinking like water with ice. So again, bearish divergence. Actually, the downside. That's low, high, negative, less negative. Low on the other side, higher point. Nothing there. Neutral. 49.98. So again, also starting to channel here, right? Look, we're expanded. We tightened it a little bit. We expanded very slightly, and right now we're starting to tighten again. And the top of the Bollinger Bands is right below the 34,000 level. And the bottom part of the Bollinger Bands is right between that 33,309 to 33,090, right? Heartburn? No, bro. Thanks for that, though. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna get in a little bit, man. Tea with lemon and honey. I show what my wife's drinking. It's either tea or chamomile. Anyways, neutral. All right, so we don't have anything. We have the hidden bearish, which moved us down. We don't create anything bullish. And again, we're starting tightening in the range. Could break either way. You could start to see this as a triangle forming, right? A very large triangle. Maybe here. We can maybe make it a little bit triangle, but like that. Something like that, and then something like that, right? Might work. Or a small triangle. You can see how we're tightening, right? We're making a lower high in the previous high and then a lower high still. But every time we go, we're making a higher low. That's how we know we're consolidating into a triangle. And yeah, we're just struggling to break. So we might be breaking soon, I hope. Let's see where it's going to break. We're making negative momentum right now. Could be getting across the MACD over the signal line. Or the blue over the orange. And try to get that potential move to the upside. So right now, I'm actually not going to call bullish or bearish in Bitcoin. The last thing we had is bearish divergence. But I'm really not going to go with any call because right now it's undecided. It really doesn't know where it wants to go. Trying to figure out its middle ground right now and see if it wants to pump or drop. It's just like not sure, right? That's the message I'm getting from Bitcoin, right? So it's undecided. Let's go to Adam, I guess, because we got an awesome tip for that. Oh, yeah, there we go. The Adam at $9. There was a message for that. 1060 high soon. We'll see, dude. Was 1060 a high here? Yeah, probably here. Let's see how high did it go. 1019. All right, so this chart doesn't have a lot of data. Highest point we've been, it's 1019, I guess. So the 1618 would be at 11.95. That is if we manage to stay above the previous high from back here on August, which it seems to be the case right now. We're bouncing at the 100%. Looks like we want to pump a little bit more. For some reason, the music stopped. That's weird. I have a very large playlist, and it just decided to stop playing. So see on Cosmos, I wrote here MACD strategy in back on this day because we had this cross of the MACD over the signal line. Look at how nice this played since we called it, right? It's pumped a lot. So we're in this candle, and then you could have taken profit. You still be 67% to the upside, right? And we talked about this one live, so great. Again, bearish divergence. Last thing we had here, strong bearish divergence. Move down on that. Low, high, negative, more negative. So on here we managed to create some hidden bullish. Just gonna make sure this on the daily. Hidden bullish at the 618. And with that, we're getting support, and that's what's helping us to pop to the upside, right? So from here to here, and from here to here also. Lower on the RSI. So, hitting bullish, action to the upside. We're going high, but we're failing to go higher in the previous high. So if we don't manage to close above, what was this closing here? 953. We could be looking for some continuation and potential action to downside to still happen, right? I guess a lot of people are not getting the notification because my wife told me she didn't get the notification, so that's awkward. I'm also not seeing a lot of people in the stream tonight. So just wanted to mention that. We have very few people actually, but very few likes. So if you guys like what we do, hit like the button, sub, right? High low, positive, high low. Bought at 60.85. Nothing bearish right now. Last thing we have is that hidden bullish divergence, right? For the action to the upside. So hidden bullish right here. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Last thing we had in the 4 hour was the bearish divergence. Broke down on that. Awesome. We'll probably call that live when we were here and looking at it. Going down. Great. Lower, negative, less negative. Strong bullish there. Great. That means we're going to move up. And it's strong bull. So, higher chances of reversing the trend, right? Which was a downslope trend. Right here and the load high on the RSI. With that again, strong bullish divergence. Actually, the upside, we took that pop, broke down slightly. We were creating some hidden bearish. It just got us to the 20, right? And if you notice something that happens and it's kind of consistent, when we have hidden bullish or hidden bearish, the target is usually the 20 moving average, and then we usually stall there and you know, continue, right? So we even when we have hidden bullish, sometimes we just hit the 20 and we're too weak to get above it, and then we just revert there, right? Was it payday for a lot of people? Yeah, maybe, dude, right? You're right. It was probably payday. They're out splurging when they should be buying more crypto, man. Kidding. Not advice. It's Monday, dude. How? Anyways, it's COVID season. Like, how much can they really go out? I guess it depends where they live, right? Right, so we have strong bearish divergence. It's just a third column that we're making of it. So it's the start of a new island. We could pump more and get rid of it. But right now we have it. It's just against the MACD, not against the RSI. So last thing we have here, again, strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. And we can see where we're going to go there, right? Your input could make you 20%. Great, man. So right now, bearish divergence, action to downside, that move down. Again, potentially targeting the 20 moving average to move down. That is if we're going to respect this. We do have the strong bullish back here. Now strong bearish. We know that during bull trends, bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out, right? Marky B, what's up to Jamaica, I guess? No name. I rarely trade when I'm live. Only if there's like a big market move and I want to do something, but it's very rare for me to open a position because I'm not scalping anything right now. And mostly what I have open is just swing trades. So I'm not usually trading right now when I'm live. And I don't like to trade when I'm live because it also influences people into trying to copy what I'm doing. And if for some reason I'm like, you know, stop the stream and then I close my position when I'm off the air, people don't know that, they're going to get wrecked. So yeah, I try not to trade when I'm live. I don't think it's appropriate. Bought at 64.22. Let's go to 1 hour chart on Atom. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher. Nothing bearish here on Atom. We have something bullish. Low, lower low, negative, more negative, low on there, so the lower point. Nothing here. High, higher, high, higher, positive, more positive. Nothing bearish here. From here to here, not even here. High, low, positive, less positive. Also less positive, high, low. Nothing here. low, high. Negative, low, negative, low, high. Great. Nothing there either. Nothing here, man. Weird. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish on Atom on the 1 hour. Can we find a pattern? Yeah, it looks like we double bottom here. And, I mean, did we have this on the 4 hour and I might have missed it? On the 1 hour, it's a little bit lower, actually. But still within the percentage that we can potentially call this a double bottom. I just take a measure here on Atom. That's from here to here. Yeah, it's a 2.30% drop, maybe even less. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the bottom here on the 4 hour chart. Carry it over to the 1 hour just to pinpoint the up. And again, I'm just calling this a potential double bottom, right? Because we're just starting to break the confirmation line. Confirmation line would be here. Ooh, that could play out nicely, right? Interesting. So this is definitely an Atom. I'm trying to make out whether or not this is an Atom or an Eve that I'm going to call here, but it could be an Atom and Eve double bottom. With that, we're probably looking at around a 30+% retrace. I'm actually going to have to open the book because you actually, since you were kind enough to give me a tip for this, I'm actually want to do it more in detail. So give me one quick second while I look this up. I'm trying to find double bottom here on the book, so here we go. Double bottom, Adam and Eve, right? That's what I'm looking for, right? See, the Adam is a spike. The Eve is a little bit more curvy. This one's definitely a spike, and this one is not super curvy, but it's not a spike, right? It's coming in and rounding off a little bit. That's why I'm going with an Adam and Eve potentially. That's what I'm looking at, and on a bull market, 8 out of 23 times plays out, so it has a really good performance rank. 8 out of 23. It's the closer you are to 1, the better it is. Average rise of 37%. Ooh, nice. A break-even failure rate 5%. Change after trends end 33% to the downside. Volume trend has to be coming downwards, right, from up to down. So we know we're coming a little bit down. Throwback 59%. So that's fine. We did flirt with this area. We didn't quite break it until recently, and we're actually holding it as support. If I zoom in, you can see that we're actually wicking very close to the portion here where we're actually, there we go. I'll just do that, and we're wicking very, very close to that area of support. Again, we do have the strong bearish that could maybe make this not play out. 1,000 pages, yeah, it's that's why I have to search for stuff. I'm not sure if it was that long on the book, but yeah, it's a big book. Yeah, 1,000 pages. Right. So we're looking for a 37% spike. So let's see where that would get, right? If we were to confirm this. I mean, right now, I'm a little bit in defense whether or not we're going to confirm it. 37. I went 37.99. So around 11 and change. I'll just go here 11 and 60. Maybe I'll just move it down a little bit to target this area as confirmation. If we were to confirm this, right? Sorry, this is the target. Sorry, double bottom. I'm gonna call this a target, and here we're gonna go with conf line. That way we know what we're looking at, right? Here's Adam and Eve, double bottom, right? So if this is to like hit target, we're looking at a retrace to around $11.60. which if we go here, it gets us very close even here to our 1618, right? So that could be a target that's coming up for Atom, right? On a look here. Yeah. Again, that's the potential move, right? If we don't get this bearish divergence to throw us down, right? We can get throwbacks, we can get fake breakouts. So again, it's not a thing that's written in stone. Here, even the book has sometimes examples, right? Look at this. Adam and Eve double bottom, right? The Adam here is a little bit sharper, but it comes sharper, then here it rounds off. Might not be the cleanest to look at. I cannot zoom a lot in the book, so I will zoom there. But then the pages really move very badly. Let's go to the previous one. See this one, confirmation line, right, of the Eve and the Atom. And this is like a fake out, so it failed. See how it broke the confirmation line? That's what we're getting right now. We're getting that break. We're not really going up with strength. We have bearish divergence. I'm not sure here in this chart if this guy had bearish divergence, but we're looking where a thing could break, right? So earnings warning broken downward. Yeah, whatever. Trying to find something else here. See if we have another example. So here's Eve in the Atom, and look at the nice pump that it took, right? Here it confirmed, right? It hit, it rejected, right? The confirmation line, and then it really just pumped out of this world. So, you know, it's still not 100% sure that it's going to kick off, but, you know, let's see how this is going to keep on playing out. Again, just put it like on your backside of your mind where it could have this potential action to the upside. And if you want to, just set up a stop loss, maybe near the 20, in case we move down bearishly. You won't take a big hit, but if it's to play out, I mean, you could be looking for a potential good gain here. Last ones we called for double bottoms. Some of them haven't played, right? And we've seen them, particularly on Bitcoin. But the one we called the Bitcoin when it was around 15,000, 16,000, we did hit that target at 23K. And that was one of the targets that we had. It just took a while for us to hit it. So anyways, I want to get the book out of the way. Ooh, I have a lot of things. Great, I'm gonna have to do cleanup after the stream. So that being said, again, double bottom, confirmation line's not coming through. I'm gonna draw a new confirmation line here on the 1 hour chart, just so I can have something different to look at here. Again, yeah, we're just breaking that confirmation line right now, so great. Gonna anchor this one to the 1 hour. The double bottom, I didn't care if it was coming here. Here it's actually tighter, right? You can tell that on the other one, we're going from high to low. Here we're going low to high. From here to here. And again, it's less than 1%. So it's within a target that we can actually hit. So we're moving up. Again, we don't have anything bearish on the 1 hour. Look, high, higher. Positive, more positive. High on the other side to higher point. Even here, high, higher. High on the other side to higher point. Positive, more positive. So I'm not seeing anything bearish. The 1 hour might have, the half hour might have something. I'll actually even take a dive there just for a good order's sake and make sure that we're not missing anything. And here's a strong bearish divergence I told you we might have, but we have it here. Look, high, higher, high. Make this yellow again, so we can keep on with our regular charting colors. And we're coming from high to low, right? And we're also coming high to low here against the RSI. So we have strong bearish divergence on the half hour for action to downside, and we are moving down. So watch out for that. Do we have hidden bullish? That'll be the next question, I guess. And the answer is we might. Actually, I'm going to have to check the numbers because it's really tight. Negative 0.122. Negative 0.120. Still slightly less negative momentum. The low, high, negative, less, negative, low, high. Nothing bullish right now. Starting to curve off. It wouldn't be weird if it hits at 20 and bounce. That would have been a very beautiful call for holding support and then bouncing. We didn't quite hit the 20, but we're rounding off again. The only thing that this could get us to is where we go slightly higher. Create more bearish divergence, right, from one island to a new island of negative momentum, and then potentially break down. Not looking super strong right now on that breakout, right? But again, let's see how it's going to keep on developing for Atom. I'm actually going to put it on the list. I'm going to want to see how this is going to play out for it, whether or not we're going to respect that. And the previous 100% line, look, we hit it beautifully, right? Rejected, held support, come support. We're breaking out definitely with that 100%. We're breaking above confirmation line of the double bottom. We just need to wait for it to play out, right? And be watching it. So again, target at 1160 something, right? That's what I'm gonna call it. I'm actually gonna remeasure just to make sure. I target it right. So we said 37. I cannot pinpoint 37, but I can go 36.9, and that will be at 11.83. So I'll move that to 11.83 or close to it, man. I'll actually go here for 11.83. Which again makes our target be extremely close to where we're at on the daily, right? Again, that 1618. Those are targets to the upside. Might changed? What do you mean might changed? Thanks for letting me know. I'm not sure what's sounding different. I'm actually going to open here the sound link again. And you might hear me double for a second. I just want to see how my mic sounds. Okay. Yeah, it sounds fine. I'm actually opening the settings. Everything's there, man. Clip guard, everything is the same. So what I'm going to do here real quick, bring this down here. Going to check the mic here also. I do want to make sure that I am like the stream sounding good for you guys. So the noise gate, the equalizer, and the compressor are all there as well. So not sure. Hope the mic comes back in normally. But thank you for that, I appreciate that. The music is super loud. Really? Let me check. Nah, bro. The music's at 35%. It's very, very low. Muffled, quiet, really interesting. Let me guys know if you believe the mic's muffled or quiet. I doubt it, but I'm not sure. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. All right, that's it for Adam, dude. Went in detail, bro. I hope you like that. American Infidel, thank you very much for the tip. Let's keep rolling. Yeah, mate, let me know if reloading worked. Let's keep rolling. Now Ethereum. I'd spend a lot of time on Atom. And Bitcoin. So let's move on to Ethereum. Something missing here? Oh, there we go. The Bollinger's, because they're really, really screwing with the way I'm looking at the chart. There we go. Right, so nothing bullish. We're still rejecting 1,387. That's how we know we have good resistances, right? We're rejecting. We actually wicked 1,420 or very close to it. We got to a high of 1,413 and we're rejecting that area. So Ethereum not doing super great right now. Right, we did pump. It was good because Bitcoin stagnated a little bit. So we were allowed to run. But we really failed to break even all-time highs. So right now, neutral at 59.05. Nothing bearish, nothing bullish. Let me get back the Bollinger Band and go to the 4-hour chart. Here we go. Oh, I'm a log scale. That's why it looks weird. There we go. That's fine to me. Thank you for being here. Much appreciated, though. Let me know if you find something else that is different. I am also noticing here that, yeah, apparently I'm a little bit softer on the mic, but I haven't changed anything. So I'll check the mix in a second. I'm concerned about that. So, and I'm noticing here that the bar's not going to where it usually almost always goes. What is it? I remember if it was in settings or control panel, but we'll see if we can get it here. Test. Let me open here. Levels. There we go. Is that better, eBay? I should be now back to the way I usually have this. For some reason, when I have meetings, thanks, here, Rev. But I think the mic, I was noticing the level dropped. I'm usually coming in on red, but I know it's adjusted somewhere else. But right now, it's actually not even hitting red. So the volume was down. Too much gain now. Thanks. We'll drop that a little bit. Is that better now? All right, let me know if that's better. I lowered it now again, so let me know. All right. It's fine. Great, man. That's all good, man. I know you're like usually solid in the channel. That's why I trust your, like, when you're saying me that something was off, and I'm concerned that the quality of the sound is good for you guys. So thank you for letting me know that. Again, everything should be working out fine now. I still go on the red here, but when I go on the red, I know that I have the clip guard on, so the clip guard doesn't here let me go into the red. So I know that because this is here, and I can scream as loud as I want, and I never go into the red. See, you might hear me louder a little bit, but it's not gonna go into red. It's not gonna clip. And it really protects the voice from like jumping, right? Thanks for letting me know that. For some reason, when I open up Jitsi or some other things for meetings, it messes up with like the audio level of my mic. So I hate that. And I did have a meeting on Jitsi yesterday, but I'm not sure if yesterday was also a little bit off. Let's keep rolling because other stuff to cover, right? Thank you guys for the awesome help by monitoring the sound quality of the channel. If you guys like what we do, hit the like the button, sub, right? Oh, that's pretty cool. Thanks for letting me know. Great. Anyways, Ethereum. What do we have on the 4 hour? High, low, possible, positive, high, low. Nothing. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low, high. Short term, dude. Some strong bullish in the short term. Yay, that's why you pumped, right? Awesome. There we go. Again, this coming back to blue. Let's go here on the 4 hour. Great. There we go. So lower, low, negative, less, negative, right? Strong bullish divergence. Actually, the upside taking that pump. Not creating anything bearish yet. High, low, possible, positive, high, low, neutral at 56.73. Could be that we're taking a breather before we try to run again. That is what I'm seeing with Ethereum. Not a lot happening. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Oh, cool. I'm being watched on TV. I just realized that. I never watch YouTube on TV. I only watch it on my cell phone, I guess. So, great. High, low. Right on. So I'm looking at some hidden bearish divergence here on the 1 hour, right? And that could be why we're moving down on the 4 hour chart. So with that in mind, we're from low to high, right? Look at that. So high, low, low, high, right? Positive, more positive, low, high on the RSI as well. And with that action to the downside, we're moving down slightly. So hidden bearish divergence for potential action to downside. Last thing we had was the bullishness. It did play us to the upside nicely. We called that one out yesterday. So, we were live here. We had bullish divergence. We're struggling with the 20, managed to get above it. Great. Still rallied. Now we're creating that hidden bearish. It's putting us on a move to downside. Target right now would be the 20. That 20 sitting at 1,340. We might try to find some support maybe here around 1,361. Right, that's where we have this top here, and we also held support here a little bit. So, not liking where this is landing as a support line, but something around there could hold. And I'm not going to put it as a support, but that's what I'm looking at right now for Ethereum. Let's go into XRP, right? XRP, remember, beginning of the stream, said watch out against Bitcoin. Look at how nasty this went, right? Poor Tuna, thank you for being here. Yeah, I think we hit very, very close to that area, James. Yeah. So XRP went down. What's new, right? We talked about it yesterday. We said, look, don't go into it with the best intentions, right? Like, not trying to screw anyone. I told you guys, a lot of people are going to get burned on XRP. It did go high, dude. If you guys took the play there, that's fine. It wasn't for me. I wasn't feeling it. It was... James, that's fine, dude. Taking profits is what the game's about. So what I'm looking at here, again, we didn't have anything bearish. We're good, right? High, low, positive, less positive. Then here we finally created something, I guess we could say, but hidden bearish. I wasn't really expecting for this to put a lot of weight on the price action to downside, and I still don't believe this is what's putting that weight for the price action to downside. It's just that it was an organized pump, and when everyone's promising they're gonna hodl, someone's gonna end up selling, right? So here it's a little bit, I'm reminding of that saying that says two people can keep a secret if one of them is dead, right? So more or less the same thing, right? Everyone here is promising to buy and hodl. Guess what's gonna happen? Someone's gonna end up taking profits, right? Oh, I didn't take profits, I swear, man, but they took profits. And that's when you get these crashes happening, right? Because this was a program pumped, and we talked about it. We said, look, people are getting together, they're saying they're gonna pump a stock, not stock, but they're gonna pump XRP on Monday. Great, they started pumping it really early, right? At the night, we were here at night. We're breaking above the 54s, 56. Everyone was here asking about XRP. I don't see anyone coming here talking about XRP tonight, right? I told people, like, you know, you're gonna get wrecked. A lot of people are gonna get wrecked in here, right? You might take some profits, but you're gonna end up hurting other people. Look at how massive it dropped. It actually lost 25% on the day, but let's see how much it dropped from high to low. It actually dropped 50%. So if some poor soul bought up here at 75 cents, they got screwed, man. And I feel bad for that person that didn't know that this asset was being pumped. KNC, awesome, sure, man. I didn't have it, so thanks for reminding me. Yeah, if you don't see me acknowledging the coin or saying something, do bring it up again. All right, no worries. Thanks, man. It's on the list now. There we go. So again, I don't see anyone from XRP coming back here tonight telling me I was off or I was wrong on the call. No. Everyone here was asking yesterday, right? Bearish divergence, action down, so that's fine. Neutral right now, 56.19. G-Co. Thank you for asking, man. If you want to ask for a request, that's how we request, right? Add the state of crypto and then the TA, and then I'll put it on the list. All right. But if you want me to do analysis, if you're just asking me what my view on fun is, well, fun is great. Everyone wants to have fun, especially girls. Girls just want to have fun. That's what they really want, right? Girls want to have fun. The chief has spoken.
What's up?
Thank you for being here. So, Jico, I was just playing around. Again, if the coin, yeah, cool, man. Do you want me to do analysis on it? That's the question. If you want me to do analysis, go add the state of crypto, fun, and then I'll put it on the list, right? So, yeah, that's that, right? 37 cents right now. I'm glad I didn't buy this, dude. I told you guys I was not going to buy, and I'm glad I didn't buy it, right? It's insane how much it dropped. I knew it was high risk. Right, and it wasn't gonna be pretty. So you guys took that play. I'm sorry for you guys. Again, not the hottest looking, right? I wouldn't be surprised if it drops back to this level again at some point in time. 29s, 26, 27 cent, right? Just didn't have anything to sustain this. This was all organized pump. This was hype on the pump. This was hype on the pump, and this was a pump, and then, you know, the crash that came with it. It doesn't have any strength to sustain these levels. Because the level that it had support at and where it was really holding on to, it was here. So, really, really bad. Fun, awesome, dude. I'll put it in the list. Yeah, probably, man. And not just them, dude. Again, think about how many, like, to say they get paid, I just say they get lubricated, right? because that's what happened with MoneyGram. MoneyGram only accepted to use XRP because they were paying them in XRP to use the platform. So they got lubricated to make it work. And what I'm looking at is that probably a lot of those projects that got paid on with XRP, because XRP didn't use cash to pay the projects and acquire or support those projects, right? They bought them with XRP. It was like the greatest play ever, right? Imagine you just want to like buy a company, a small company, or give money to a startup, and you'll create a crypto, and all of a sudden you're like, oh, I'll give you so many of these coins that I just manufactured, but now I'm part of your project because, you know, I'm investing in you. And at some point in time, my coins are going to be worth a lot of money and you're going to be able to cash out. But right now, you know, you can use that money to pay up some of your stuff. And that's how they bought a lot of things, right, with XRP. So they did give support some, like, you know, projects, etc., which is cool in the end. But, you know, a lot of those projects are probably cashing out, or the banks that they were working with that got XRP up front to start using the platform, etc., to try out the platform, right? They're probably cashing out of that pump as well. So, you know, they're like, oh, people are going to pump it. I'm going to sell, man. You know? So again, looking at that down movement on XRP, we talked about not going in yesterday, right? Look, we had bearish divergence to here. That's great. If I would have gone here, we still had strong bearish divergence against the RSI, right? Strong bearish, not against the RSI, but against XLM. Sure, man, I'll do XLM. There we go. So XRP trying to hold on support at 37.07 cents. Great. We know we're hitting support. That's great. We're below 20 again. Moving down, right? The only thing we're creating right now is hidden bullish divergence. Low, high. Right. On the 4 hour. Negative, more negative. Low, high, neutral at 46.29. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. When Cardano going to blow up? Interesting. I'm not sure. Are people getting together to pump it? Yeah, Tiger was telling me about that in the chat also, that some people, or China was also trying to, like, you know, bet on what was going to pump next. We were looking for some bearish divergence. We didn't get it. We pumped higher. That's great. This went higher as well. Yeah, but again, technicals don't work when things like this are being manufactured by people, right? Like, you can have the best technicals, but if people get together and say, oh, we're going to pump and dump this asset, the technicals are not going to work. So, like, there's no point in really taking them into account. Arch. Sure, man. Why not? The Arch enemy. That's the next coin that got queued up. So, Arch. I'm not sure. Haven't looked at news today. So XRP did break below to that 35-cent area, 34-cent area, pumping back up a little bit. That's fine. It does have some strong bullish divergence within its same island, right? And some hidden divergence from back here. So I'll go with this one first, the hidden divergence, because it's the easiest one for you guys to follow, I guess. So low to high, and then negative, more negative, right? And then if I zoom in, what I'm looking at right now is this move from here to here. Right. Did I anchor? Yep. Great. And then from here to here. All right. So that's strong bullish divergence against the MACD, and then hidden bullish against the RSI. So we're getting that move to the upside. Not super strong. The target right now would be the 20. The 20 being at 44 cents. I'm not even sure if we're going to get that high. This everything that's happening with XRP. And even then, if that is the case, then I would propose that we are creating some hidden bearish here. From here to here. And from here to here, right? Look low to high on the RSI. So hidden bearish divergence, potential action downside. I mean, we do have some strong bullish. It usually trumps hidden bearish. Right now, trying to find support at 37.07. Let's see if that's going to be the case, right? On to Litecoin. Litecoin at $133.53. On the daily, nothing happening, right? Hidden bullish, trying to pump. hitting very close to the 20. Sorry, I dropped something here. In the 20 and neutral at 47.93. Well, let's go to the 1 hour chart. Bearish divergence hidden, action to downside, low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side to our point. High, low, positive, less positive, high, low. Nothing really bearish. The only thing I'm noticing here is this hidden bearish here that it might not even play out because it's just very small. On the same island, it's just tiny, right? So, right here. Right, hidden bearish. That's that on Litecoin. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. We had the strong bullish, pumped on that. Great. Low, high, positive, more positive, high, higher. Great. A high, low, positive, positive, high, low. Nothing bearish, nothing bullish. Again, just sideways motion right now for a Litecoin. Neutral at 56.68 and $133.60. That's where it's at. Again, nothing on the 1 hour chart, right? Let's go to RSR. Whereas the RSR at 3.5, great. It recovered a little bit. It did hit 3.8 earlier today, and now it's dropping. So again, I do have hopes for this project. Hitting that 20, rejecting right now the 20. That's fine at 3.5. We don't have anything besides a hidden bullish. We got to target. That was a 20. We wicked it a couple times. Fun to get above it, but neutral at 50.57. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Your ADA long is at $120 profit. That's still pretty killed, man. Look at this on RSR, right? Some strong bearish divergence building here on the 1 hour chart. 4 hour chart, sorry. High, higher, and then positive, less positive, right? We don't have it against the RSI. High, higher, so that's great. Strong bearish divergence. Action to downside, right? Strong bearish divergence. Potential action to downside on RSR. We're moving down, hitting very close to that 20. Might move down slightly more, hit that 20, and then maybe try to bounce. That wouldn't be bad. But let's go to the 1 hour chart and see what we have there. Oh, here we also have it, I think. Let me zoom in. Yep. Slight, but it's there. So strong bearish divergence, action to downside, hit the 20 already in the 1 hour, trying to bounce. That's gonna be great if we hold support there. Nothing bullish happening here. We didn't have anything last time we looked at it, so we're not expecting to find anything back here still. Hello, oh hi, some hidden bearish here. But we didn't have that yesterday because this happened at 4 in the morning, right? So cool with that. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD, right? Now taking that small pump, and that's that again. That small pump here, rejecting on strong bearish divergence. Moving down, hitting the 20, trying to bounce. Neutral at 54.15. That's it for RSR. Again, not a lot happening. Again, trying to find support. 3.6, great. It just moved a little bit higher. Again, find support at the 20. Nothing bullish here. Low, high, higher. Negative, less negative, positive, low, high, higher. That's that. Let's move on to DVT and check it out. See what DVT is doing. What the DVT's up to, dude. Jason Koto, am I being shadow banned tonight? Why is that, man? Maybe, I'm not sure. A lot of people didn't get the notification that I was live, including my wife. So, maybe. So I'm not sure if I'm being shadow banned or not. I'm actually checking here. You never get the notification that you were live? Oh, thanks. Appreciate that. Thank you for letting me know. I also didn't get the notification that I am live, so. Yep. I didn't get a notification that I'm live. So, yeah, maybe. For some reason, it didn't go out. That's probably why we're lacking a lot of people in the stream, right? Yeah. Maybe, who knows, right? Yeah. Thanks for letting me know, Jason. Anyways, let's keep rolling. That's it for RSR. Let's go to DVT. DVT at, oh snap, I'm changing coins back, so there we go. Ooh, 1783. Oh, 1913. Slightly higher, great. Let's go here. Let's get the MACD and the RSI out. Zach, what's up? Thank you for being here. Much appreciated. On the 1 hour DVT, I mean, we do have an island here. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher. Dude, I'm not seeing anything here. Again, it's moving sideways, like we said yesterday, right? So just more or less sideways at 5.7 sats. Again, great neutral at 50. Let's see, low, lower, low, lower, negative, more negative. Right, nothing here. I want to go to the 4 hour. It's not looking super hot right now. It just moves sideways. Low, high, negative, more negative, right? We had this hidden divergence here. Great, it's there. Actually, the upside. Yep, and we also have it against the RSI, right? So great. I mean, we already talked about this one before. Here we created strong bearish divergence, right? High, higher, positive, less positive, high, low on the RSI. Move down, hidden bullish, moving us sideways, right? That's what we're getting. Sideways motion, nothing else happening, dude. Nothing else that's super exciting for this right now. That's it for DVT. And again, you guys know that I check this out because first, I own a sizable chunk of it. And second of all, I am part of the market DAO. But again, I'm not chilling it for you guys to buy. I'm just looking at it because I hold it. You guys can, if you guys like the project and you want to check it out, the Discord, Jay can provide you the Discord, but that's that, right? Anyways, hidden bullish divergence starting to build. And again, also stalling happening here on DVT daily chart. Let's see if we can manage to get another pump happening here. That'll be great. Again, all this happened because some dude on the DVT community dropped his 7 million DVTs because he lost his marbles. So that being said, right now, DVT bullish. Anticipate Martin to be on daily at 9. Yeah. Yeah, right. Emma is right. But a lot of people do tend to depend on notifications because they don't know whether or not the streamer is going to be live. I'm usually live. I just don't, like, when I'm not going to be live or I'm going to be late, I usually just put it on the Discord, which is very weird right now. With COVID, I'm usually just locked in the house. So I'm almost always here. It just has to be like I had to go out of town maybe for a weekend, take the family out, or maybe some friends that also like take care of themselves came over to have dinner. But that's like the only reason on when we like tend to just, I tend to not be here, but it's really rare. Anyways, let's keep rolling. Up next, Rose. That was requested on the Discord. I do believe it was against the dollar. I don't think I saw anything on the Discord that was against anything else. Oh, Jake made it rain. Great. I mean, if you're in the Discord, you get a notification I'm live. I ping everyone, so it goes at everyone. And then on Twitter, I also do that I'm live. So if you have me on Twitter and you have notifications enabled, you get the notification that I'm live. So, yeah. Let's go to Rose. I think the question here is if there's buyer exhaustion. I'm not seeing it as such right now. I just see sideways motion right now. Try and break above that 100, bring it back in. High, low, positive, high, low. Last thing we had was this bearish divergence here that still came into play for action to downside, right? Low, high, negative, more negative, hidden bullish, trying to raise the price here on Rose. We just haven't looked at this project in a while, so. We get neutral at 54.76. Last thing we had, hidden bullish, going up slightly on that. Not quite going up higher in the previous high. Let's see what's going to happen here. Really not doing a lot. Cook Brown, I checked this score. Dang, came here to watch. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Bernardo, what's up? Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Again, guys, if you like what we do, hit like the button, sub, right? Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Make this larger. I need to check something out. High to low. High to low. Low, high, low, high, low, high, right, high, higher, positive, or positive, high, higher. Is this positive or positive, dude? I think it's slightly higher, yeah. Slightly higher. So on Rose, I'm not seeing anything bearish. And the last thing we had was a strong bullish back here, right? From here to here. So Rose, again, just sideways motion right now. I think on the daily I can unclick it. There we go. And then negative, less negative, right? On the RSI, we don't have it just against the MACD. Strong bullish divergence. Action to the upside, so bullish. That's the last thing we have. Nothing bearish happening short term. Well, let's go to the 1-hour chart for Rose. Thanks, I'm looking like a play for the stream. Sure, we'll check it out in a second, man. Craig. XLM is coming in at coin 19. Right now we're in coin 7, bro. It's gonna take me a little bit to get to it, but I'll get to it eventually. I can guarantee you that, man. I always go through the whole list before I sign off. So I get there in time. Low, high, then high, low, right? Then high, low. So bearish divergence, strong against the MACD and the RSI. That's what we're seeing, that action to downside. So the 1 hour has strong bearish divergence. And that's that, right? Low, high, negative, less, negative, low, high. That's it, dude. Nothing else here. Strong bearish divergence for Rose. Action to downside right now. Potential target to 20. That 20 being at 5.89 cents. We're now seeing at 5.95 cents. So it's a small drop still. And even here, we could try to find support at, the 5.9 cent area before we actually try to run again. We'll see. We're not creating any kind of hidden divergence right now, and it's really gonna take a massive drop for this to do something, right? It's like low, high, and then negative, more negative, right? We're not gonna get it. So if anything, I would be looking for maybe strong bullish divergence to develop. That would still require a drop, maybe lower than this previous low, and then negative to less negative momentum, or low to high on the other side. But right now, I'm not seeing any of that happening. Sideways motion Rose, so I'm not seeing buy exhaustion right now. I'm just seeing indecision. Let's go see cash. See cash at 92.46. Let's see, what do we had here, man? Let's go to the daily. Hidden bullish, going up, hitting that 20. Great, we're hitting the first target. Awesome. Next target would be up here at 100% at $97.96. If we reject the 20, target to the downside again, the 786 at $81.73. That's it for this. Nothing else happening on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hours cash. We had bearish divergence, move down, hit that 20 beautifully, taking a bounce. Awesome. Are we doing something else? I'm not sure. Let's see. I'm gonna have to make this larger. Yep, high, higher. Definitely, right? Positive and positive. High, higher. I mean, from here, it played pumping, nothing else happening, nothing else bullish. The hidden bearish hit at 20. Remember how I said it usually goes to 20 and then, we try to bounce or reject? Same thing happening here, right? Hidden bearish, getting us to 20 and pumping. Great. Let's go to the 1 hour. What we're doing here, bearish divergence. That's what we were looking for, right? Went slightly higher. Did we still manage to hold on to this? 67.15 and 65. So yeah, still managed to hold on to that. Strong bearish divergence, right? Fraction to downside. So we did have strong bearish. Moving down that low, high, negative, more negative. Great. We might have strong bullish or hidden bullish here. Let's see. Yeah, slightly more negative. On the 1 hour. Great. And from here to here, right? hidden bullish action to the upside. I think that very nice pump. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. What? I know. It already told me this before. High, higher, high, positive, more positive. High on the RSI to higher high. Great, that's it. Nothing bearish. It's just going extremely high. Overbought at 77.90. Still pump a little bit more, maybe. All right, not seeing anything off with it. So hidden bullish. That's the last one we have here on the daily, on the 1 hour. So again, 4 hour was bearish, and then the daily, I think it was bullish, right? So again, bullish, bearish, bullish. It's that indecision, right? So we're still getting that moving up, which is nice in that 20. Like I said, let's see if we go up or down after that. Let's go to OMG, dude. I haven't done Amizigo in a while now. I'm just gonna do this last little bit here. Anchoring this to daily first, and then keep moving this, right? $66, 68, and 67. So high to low also, very slightly high, just slightly lower. Was it 60? No, 66, 67. Sorry, no. Low to high. Read that. So bearish divergence just against the MACD. Strong bearish divergence. Fraction to downside, right? We're moving down on that. Now see if we created something bullish afterwards. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, and there's a power point. Nothing bullish. Short term, low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Nothing here. Low, high, high, low. Right. Some hidden bullish from here. Again, would really much rather have trades that hidden bullish from the lowest point here. But, you know, this which suffice. Fraction to the upside, we're going high. Failed to go higher in the previous high, right? Continuation to the downside. Breaking and hitting that 50% retrace. Trying to hold on support there. Great. Let's move on to the 4 hour chart and see what we have. Bitcoin and Ethereum recap soon. Yeah, after band, I'll do a recap. So here it has strong bearish divergence, right? Fraction to downside. Again, I'm not gonna go a lot into the history right now. I don't want to lose a lot of time because I still got a lot of projects. I'm gonna move through. So high, higher, positive, positive, high, higher, right? High, low. Nothing here that is bearish. Do we have something bullish from back here? Maybe low, lower, negative. Yeah, some strong bullish divergence back here. I'm just trying to see why it moved, right? That's the only thing I'm looking at back here for, like the move. Strong bullish, not against the RSI, just against the MACD. Action to the upside, great. Hitting that 20, bouncing, awesome. Nothing off with that. Great, let's go to the 1 hour chart. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher. Nothing bad here. Hidden bullish starting to be developed. That's the only thing I have right now. The only thing I can see, so. Low to high, right? Higher, low. Negative momentum to more negative momentum, right? And we on the RSI, we don't have it. Low to high, so hidden bullish, stalling our action to the upside. We're choosing, or it looks like we're picking the stalling action, and a movement to the upside might potentially have us hit that 20 at $4 right now, sitting at $3.95. So 5% move to the upside might not be too crazy for this project. High, low, positive, positive, high, low. Right, that's all that I have for OMG, I guess. Nothing here. Let's go to band and then recap. Yeah, I probably should do that, right? Every hour. I was trying to do it every 5 coins, every 7 coins, or every 10 coins. But yeah, maybe every hour should work, I guess. Or I gotta have set up timer or something for every hour to like get bipped. And then that way I'll do the coin. Right now I had it set for every 10. So 10, 20, because we just have 20 projects right now on the list. So Arch is the last one, and I was going to recap every 20, or every 10, sorry. Let's go to band. There we go, man. Band of the daily. High, higher, positive, less positive. Awesome. Bearish divergence. Strong, starting to be built here. We got above that 618, heading for that 786. Trying to figure out where we're going to go. But right now we have that strong bearish divergence starting to be built against the MACD and the RSI. Now, take into consideration that this strong bearish divergence, we're starting to build this new island here, right? As you can tell, it's the second bar that we have there. And that could imply that we could still go on pumping, right? And go slightly higher still. It's just the second bar, so good stuff happening. Not super worried about band yet. It could still get above to this 786 again if it wanted to. Or if it wanted to move down to find support, it could try to find support at the 618. Great. Korean bots aside, thank you for being here, man. Yo, bro. You know, what matters is that you're here, and thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated. Again, not a lot of people in tonight. Apparently I got, you know, shadow banned or something. So,
What's up?
thanks for being here. So that's it for a band on the nail. Let's go to the 4 hour. By the way, Bats, did you get the notification? No, I don't think GRT was requested, bro. I don't have it on the list. And I checked the pre-stream request. I just had Ccash and Rose. And then on the pre-stream trooper, there's a Go, Band, and Adam. That's it. No one's requested GRT. More meta attacks? Where, man? Let me know in the Discord, man. Awesome, dude. Bring facts got notification. Yeah, some people didn't, dude, and I'm worried about that. Because, yeah, people should be getting them. Can I look at Dodge to Bitcoin? Sure, why not? Yeah, maybe. Jake, I should put it up there, man. Probably. Gotta figure out what, like, when I'm gonna put it. Probably, I gotta figure out, like, how many coins I'm gonna put it, and then do that. Let me finish band so I can recap. Low, high, positive, more positive, positive, more positive, positive, more positive. Great. Overbought at 78.82. Low, high. Are we doing more negative? Slightly. Hidden bullish. I usually don't like the anchor when it's just the one small candle. Sometimes it manages to play out, right? So hidden bullish, actually the upside. We don't have it against RSI, just against the MACD. We don't have anything else. Overbought at 78.98. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Dorbalas is in the house. Every 7? Yeah, probably every 7. Have you ever been here, Dorbalas? You're gonna get orange pill notifications? I'm not sure what that is. Hello, right? Bearish divergence. Strong against the MACD and the RSI on a band. So that being said, strong bearish divergence. Potential action to the downside coming in for this. Can we do after GRT? Dude, I can queue it up on the list, Korean about to say. So it's just gonna go in the queue. But I cannot skip the queue. Sorry, man. I try to be as fair as I can to everyone that comes here, so the only way we skip the queue again, you know. But what's up on the list now, alright? GRT. Again, bearish divergence, section downside, low, high, low, lower. Yep, definitely. Hidden bullish. Great. Hidden bullish divergence for action to the upside. From here to here. All right, so that's probably what we're reversing. Bullish engulfing the previous candle. Could give us continuation to the upside, maybe try to get higher than the previous high, and then maybe create more strong bearish divergence. Who knows, right? That's what I'm seeing right now for this. Again, and that is that. I'm going to move on to recaps now. Band, action to the upside, hidden bullish. Moving up on that. Someone said Bitcoin a pump in. Dude, it's not really pumping, right? So last thing we had was the bearish divergence for action to downside, moving down, hitting that support at 33,090. Taking a small moving up on Bitcoin, again below the 20, still rejecting slightly. So yeah, it's starting to move up right now, 0.16 cents, but not a lot. We don't have anything else short term for the Bitcoin, right? So yeah, that's that. Let's go to the 4-hour Bitcoin. And bullish. That's it. So not a lot happening for Bitcoin. Let's go to Ethereum. Strong bullish short term. Taking a pop. Oh, dude, we just got very close again to the resistance. High, 1,387.17. We have our target at 1,387.26. So 10 cents off target, 9 cents off target. Very nice, right? You mean at Wall Street the last couple of days? What? It's a weekend, dude. Wall Street's closed. What were you doing at Wall Street? But thanks for being here, man. High, low, positive, high, low, neutral at 57.38. That's it, dude. Ethereum again. And then the short term, we had this bearish divergence for action or downside again. Very close to the target, rejecting again. You know, we haven't created anything else besides the strong bullish and the hidden bearish. And the strong bullish could still play to the upside. Let's see if we can manage to get above 1,387. And again, if Bitcoin keeps on moving sideways, it could give a chance for Ethereum to move on higher, right? And that's it for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's go and let's go to Atom. The Atom at 9.01. Great. Let's go on the daily, dude. Did we already do Atom? Yeah, we already did Atom because it got requested earlier. So Atom's going to be sort of like a recap, right? So Atom, again, very nice action to the upside. Again, double bottom, great, whatever. We called double bottom on the 4 hour and on the daily. That's great. Again, up above 100%, moving back down. So it's going to be like a recap. 4 hour, right? Double bottom, right? Adam and Eve, double bottom potential. Breaking to the upside, breaking the confirmation line, which is good. That's what we want to see. And the breaking the confirmation line, we determined the target was going to be at around, up here, $11.85. So very close to the 1618. And right now, again, we got the red candle, next candle on the side. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Again, nothing happening here, right? Low, high, positive, more positive, high, higher. Great, nothing bearish. We just moved down a little bit. Trying to climb this last couple hours. Again, the movement down, probably hit the 100% retrace at 8.84. And if we move down again, we do have the support here at 8.72. We'll see what Atom's going to do, right? You're going to Atom, man. You get out for 10%. Awesome. Let's go to Binance. Because Binance been going up also, right? If you guys have Binance, you probably know this. But Binance was at over $50, which was making it make all-time highs. So 50.61. We had the all-time highs earlier today at 4 p.m. We got to $52, man. We just haven't been looking at Binance on the daily for we took it out of the list. And I went back out of curiosity and I was like, wow, it's really pumped a lot. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher, right? We did have this strong hidden bullish divergence here. Finally taking off to the upside. Great. Nothing else happening here. Again, just new all-time high at 52 buckaroos, right? Sorry, 54.04 here on this chart. Let's go to the 4 hour to confirm. Here we just get it at 53, which is weird, right? Here it shows a high at 52.76. The other one's at 54, so who knows? Someone sells, then others, minus others. Stop panic selling. Yeah. High higher, positive, more positive, high higher. Nothing bearish right now. Again, overbought at 71.96. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Here we started to create some strong bearish divergence, right? From here to here, high, higher, high. So the 1 hour, great, it is. And the high to low. Right. High to low, so great, strong bearish divergence, right? For potential action to the downside. And with that, again, bearish divergence. Action to downside. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the set to hard point. Neutral, bought at 63.08. This is for Binance. Let's go to new. Yeah, Ethereum been looking not too shabby, right? What? My phone's going nuts. Sorry guys, won't see him. Let's keep rolling, man. Let's see what else is going on here. New, great. New bearish divergence, action to downside. Awesome. From here to here, from here to here, still carries on. Great. There it is, man. Right, strong bearish divergence, action to downside on the 1 hour. Breaking down on that, dude, we are below the 786. So breaking below that area, trying to find support lower. We don't have anything here for support, but we are creating some hidden bullish divergence, right? I can even call it from here to here. It works. It works because it's there and it's magic. And it's an awesome support. And then I'll just go from high to low, right? Hidden bullish divergence, potential reversal. We're getting it. We're hitting that 20. We're rejecting, you know, trying to really figure out where we're going to go. We hit the high at the 786 and rejected, so not too hot. Still below the 20. So right now, yeah, we have the hidden bullish, but we'll see where we're going to go. Then we'll go to 0.42. What? New? Pedro Carancho, let me know. Right now, 28 cents, right? Let me go on the daily. Sorry guys, it was something like came in on the cell phone. I had to like check it out real quick, but let's see what else is going on here. High, higher, high, low. Let's see this, man. High, higher, high, great. Positive and positive, high, higher. Nothing bearish here on new. Target right now would be the previous high at 32 cents. Like, yeah, look. Better, what I would tell you is you gotta go and take it on steps, right? By steps. So first target above the 236, which we are above. Next target, get to the previous high of 32, and then maybe get to the all-time high, right? At 41 cents. So 42 cents, well, it's higher than everything else that we have right now. This is not outside of the realm of possibilities, but again, small targets first. Don't talk about 42 cents when you haven't even reached the 32 cent mark and close above it, right? So just like, yeah, it's okay to like look at for long-term moves, but I'll tell you, particularly with the projects like this that don't have a lot of history, just go with the small moves, right? First. So first, let's try to get above this area, and then we target higher prices. But until it doesn't clear its previous high, no point in checking anything higher. So again, on the 4 hour bearish divergence, right? Action to downside, moving down on that. Low, high. Negative, positive, low, high. Bought at 64.33, so nothing on the 4 hour, and then on the 1 hour already cover, right? The hidden bullish, pumping us up a little bit. That's great. That's it for new. Let's go to SNX. SNX up next. Let's go here. SNX at 16.70. Let's go to the daily. Did we go slightly higher? Yep. Dude, are we coming lower, man? Slightly, yes. I guess we could call this one. Can re-anchor that there to there. Move that to there. And then track that right here. So bearish divergence. Actually, like here we had it, right? We moved down, hit that 20 bounce. Now we're still carrying on that not hidden, that strong bearish divergence on the daily fraction of downside. So moving down on that, target right now will be the 20 moving average at 15.85, and yeah, it's on the daily, right? Nothing bullish. Let's go to the 4 hour. High, higher, high, positive, more positive, high, higher. Great. Then coming low, some hidden bullish, but it don't look like it's too strong right now, so it might not even hold. Just gonna leave this here on the 4 hour. Again, I'm not liking the way this hidden bullish is looking. It could still hold, right? But we have it against the MACD and the RSI, so yep, great. Yeah, some chances of it playing out. Hidden bullish, possibility for action to the upside. Right now, it's not really looking too hot because we just rejected the 20, looking for lower areas of value. And let's go to the 1 hour chart on SNX. See, on the 1 hour, it looks a lot better. Why? Here we had strong bullish. We did pop, and then we went from here to here, right? So lower low still. And I'll just go from here to here, right? And we also had it from here to here in the short term. So strong bullish divergence pop, creating more strong bullish divergence. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. So that possibility for action to the upside. That's what we have for SNX, right? Strong bullish divergence. Let's see if we can manifest this into a pump. Let's go to comp. Right on. Let's go to the daily comp. Again, trying to reach for that 1618 retrace, right? High, higher. We had some bearish divergence. Move down, hit that 20, pop. We haven't called anything else because we just gone parabolic, so that's fine. Just going higher, so no technicals. Bearish technicals might not play out here. Or bought at 70.41. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Great. Bearish divergence, action downside. We're just stalling a little bit, right? We haven't hit that 20. Move would have very likely gotten us to a 20, find support before a pump. That would be great, but we don't have it yet. We called this out yesterday. So bearish divergence, moving down on that. Nothing else, dude. Like low, high, negative, less negative, right? Less negative momentum. Low, high on the other side. Nothing bullish right now, just this hidden bearish. Not doing a lot. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, we had the bearish divergence for action to downside. We moved down slightly on that. Now we're creating something bullish. Low, high, negative, less negative, right? Low, high, nothing here. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, lower, hidden bullish against the RSI. That's it, dude. It's the only thing that we have going on. Where would that take us to? First target would be the 20 moving average, and that's at $351. With that, again, potential action to the upside. Hidden bullish. So let's see it has. Let's see if we can materialize into a pump, get above that 20, and ride it to the upside. But we're not going to know in the short term. Let's go to Crow. Again, guys, if you like what we do, hit that like button on the sub, right? Join us on the Discord. Links in the description. You can also engage with me there. Our Twitter, right? You can also join me on Twitter. Links also in the description. Crow to USD. There we go, man. We have two. Can't remember which one we looked at lately. So it might have been the one on Tether. Yep, looks like KuCoin was the one we checked out. So last thing we had, strong. I can't remember when we looked at this. So I can't remember if we called this live or we called it a couple days after we were dropping. But bearish divergence, strong action to the downside, moving down on that. Low, lower, low. Do it even here. Low, high, low, high. I was looking for some hidden divergence, but I'm not finding it. And yep, so I'm not seeing anything here on Crow besides the strong bearish that we had. So I'm gonna go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, last time we looked at this was on the 27th. Great. So hidden bullet, or sorry, strong bullish divergence. Actually, the upside, we took that pop and we created hidden bearish divergence, right? So action to the downside. And I think that's the trend that we're riding on right now, right? The hidden bearish divergence. Fraction to the downside. Low to high. Low to high. Great. Going down. Low, lower low. Negative. Less negative momentum. Right. So we can call from here to here. Even here. Strong bullish, right? Negative, slightly less negative momentum. All right. So potential shift in trend, right? And then from here to here, right? So from here's one, and from here to here, it's another one. But here on this last one, no, we also have it here. Look, low to high, and then low to high. For some reason, the volume came down here. Why? It's just awkward, man. So I'm just gonna close volume here, and I'm gonna reload volume. Let's get indicators. Where are my indicators? Here we go. There we go. That's where it's supposed to be. So we have that strong bullish divergence. Our potential action to the upside is just failing to play out, right? We hit the 20, rejected. You try to get another go at the 20, so strong bullish divergence not playing out. Could be because we're in a small, medium term, small term downtrend. That's what we call it right now. But let's look for this in the 4 hour. Back to the daily real quick. Check something out. Yeah, small term. Potential double top here, I'm not sure. I would have to measure for this double top, but let's say from here to here. It's 5% different. I wouldn't want to call this a double top. It's too wide. More than 5%. It's not something that's I'll be looking for. Oh, lower low. Let's get this on the 1 hour chart. Negative. Less negative momentum. Right. Low, lower low, negative, that's negative, low on the other side to hard point. Strong bullish divergence, fraction to the upside. I'm not really seeing this pump super strong right now. Just getting above the 20. That could be an indicator for the pump to come, but finding some hidden bearish. Right. Look at this high to low. Then going low to high, right? So hidden bearish divergence. Don't have that against the MACD, just against the RSI. So there's a possibility that we start seeing some stagnation around this level, maybe some pressure for the price to not go up as fast. Again, Crow not looking too hot right now. That's that for Crow, right? I don't even think I have fibs for this. Do I have fibs? Yeah. So the movement down again could potentially get us to the 0 line, which is the low point that we're anchoring to at 5.5 cents. Right now, I think it's 6.12, and then moving to the upside to the 20 on the daily gets to 7.2 cents. Again, not sure on Crow how strong that move is going to be yet. So let's go to KNC now. KNC, what's up with KNC? I have 2 KNCs also. 3 KNCs. I'm trying to figure out this one's one we look at. Great. So KNC on the daily, we had bearish divergence. Actually, downside move down. Hit that 618. Great. Taking a bounce. Nothing off. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on there. Set to hard point. Nothing bullish. But then you move to the opposite that we're making. We are creating more strong bearish divergence. And we're going actually from positive to negative now. Right? Here. It would be very nice if we were anchoring to a positive momentum island. That's not the case. We'll see how this is going to play out from here to here, right? Again, bought at 62.03. Let's go to the 4 hour. Bearish divergence, right? Strong bearish divergence. Here, we also seem to be having strong bearish divergence on the 4 hour high. Slightly higher high. Again, not closed this 4 hour candle yet, so We need for that candle to close so we can confirm this, but right now it's making strong bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. Did I anchor this? Nope. Dang, I forget when I hate it when I forget the anchor, man. Really trips. Flow of the stream, right? There we go. Great. That's just short term, right? Here we had some strong bullish divergence for actually the upside against the MACD. That's where we took a rally. Now strong bearish. Let's see if we're gonna materialize this into actually the downside. We can still pump higher, right? Maybe 1.47 or somewhere around there, and still have the strong bearish divergence against the RSI. We might undo it quickly, right? We're not really that far from undoing it. Against the MACD, you know, it's gonna take a little bit of strength. That's why I said maybe a 147, an area we could get to before we actually start to break down. That's it for KNC here on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. There we are, man. Low, high, high, low, right? Strong bearish divergence. Low, lower. Negative, more negative, low. Nothing bullish here. Heading bullish, maybe? Yeah, heading bullish. From back here. That would do the trick. For the actually the opposite that we're getting right now. $37 and 37.82. 37.36, low to slightly higher point, so nothing there. So just against the MACD, we have that hidden bullish divergence. We pumped. Now we're creating strong bearish divergence against RSI. Nothing against the MACD. Short-term MACD though, right? If I zoom in here, just this very, very last bit from here to here, and from here to here, we would have also strong bearish divergence, right? For action to downside potentially. So KNC. Strong bearish divergence on the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the daily. Bearish divergence. So a little bit bearish on the chart. Let's go fun. So I guess we haven't done fun before. Well, no one's had fun here before, so let's see if we can have some fun. 4.4 cents. Someone requested it earlier. That's what we said. After fun, XLM, Arch, and then recap, right? So, awesome. Thank you guys for being here again. If you like what we do, hit like the button, sub. Just in Discord. Checking out something out here real quick. Sorry guys, 1 quick second. It's not gonna take me very long. I just need to check something out here real quick. Alright, so I'm zooming out on fun real quick. I want to see whether or not we can draw some fibs. We probably can, not from the all-time high. But maybe from the all-time high. I'm not sure. Let's see. I think we're retracing 20+% of the way yet, so. I'll go from this high here, the previous high, which is going to be this one. I guess it should work from here. So let's get the fib nodes out. And let's fit this project, dude. High to low. I'm gonna pinpoint the low in a second. Just gotta figure out where the lowest point for this project is. And then zoom in there. I'm above the lowest point, I guess. Yep. And let's see. Okay, so where's the dot? Here it is. We're gonna go somewhere here. And it's there. Great, man. Awesome. Here we're definitely gonna be making about retrace and hitting that 786 and rejecting. Awesome. That's what I went to check. We just got parabolic, right? So we don't have anything bearish. The only thing we have is some hidden bullish. And that'll be from here to here, right? On the daily. And from here to here. Right? Against the MACD, not against the RSI. So potential fraction of the upside. We're taking that pump, hitting the 20, bouncing, which is good. Like I said, there's really not a lot. We had some strong bearish here, went down, hit that 20, created that hidden bullish. Right, but again, this already played, and it's just gone parabolic, right? So right now, if you're trying to get into this project, I would say you don't try to catch a bullet train, right? So if it's already gone and taken off, probably shouldn't be jumping into it. In Harev Pokestad, thank you for being here, man. 89 and 35. So overbought. Let's go to the 4 hour, dude. I'm not sure we're gonna be finding a lot of stuff here, man. I might be surprised though, right? I've been surprised before, so higher. That's great. Now let's go here. Oof, almost the same height. 78.95. 78.68 is just very slightly lower, man. And any small pump, it's really gonna get rid of this. But right now, I'm gonna give it this, and it's gonna have 78.95, 78.95. It's just moving sideways, right? So if anything, we have weak bullish divergence, bearish divergence. Sorry, weak bearish divergence. Fraction of downside, hitting that 76 on the dot. Great. It's on the 4 hour chart, dude. I forgot to anchor. Dang. But at least it's just 2 lines that I can clear real quick. There we go. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Low, high. So low, high, negative, less, negative, low, lower. Great. Hidden bullish divergence against the RSI. And with that, potential fraction of the upside, we're getting that small pump coming in. Great. That's that, right? High, higher, positive, and positive, high, higher, then short term, high, higher. Getting above that 786, which is pretty good. Starting to create bearish divergence, though, right? Strong bearish divergence against the RSI and the MACD, I think. So let's see. 7388, 74. Slightly more positive. Just check here, dude, right? About the same. 73 and 71 here. I'm looking at the digits, right? After the zeros. So my lows right now. High. Again, strong bearish divergence. Potential fraction to the downside. Let's see if we're going to hold on to that or try to keep on pumping on this project. But that's it for fun. Jeez, that wasn't a lot of fun, was it? It was okay. You have a lot of fun already? That's pretty cool, Gico. I hope you can keep having fun and it keeps on pumping again. Like I said, it's going super bullish, right? Look at this. It's going parabolic. We know that during bull trends, bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out, and that is the case for this right now. It's super bullish, right? Tristan Nello. What's up, dude? For some reason, your comment didn't come through on the YouTube chat, or at least I'm not seeing it there, man. Weird. Maybe it hasn't come through yet. I'm not sure because it's coming out of sync. Let me look at that coin. All right. Oh, write it down. I'll just call it the Sith coin for now. Dynamic Motorsport Experience.
What's up?
Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Thanks for fun. Let's go to like Slam. What?
Appreciate your work. Swig or shot with me, bro?
Yeah, let me get something. I'm drinking water right now, so I'll have to go get something, man. Tisa, thank you very much for the awesome donation. Might just take a very small sip of something, though. But, dude, on that, I'll tell you this.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, man. Be right back, dude. Yeah, let me go grab something. I'm back. Thank you for that. Waiting for me to that small break. Cheers, man. I just poured myself a little bit of whiskey. Just very small, though, right? So, cheers, bro. T-Time. Thank you for the donation, man. Right on. Let's go XLM now. Here's XLM. Are you wasted, Tisa? Are you like Butterfingers tonight? Because like you wrote bro a lot of times. The chief says Adam just might go up later this month. We'll see, man. Hopefully, right? I mean, it does have technicals. Packy Player, what's up, man? Thank you for being here, man.
What's up?
Yeah. Stay home, right? A little bit of both. Awesome, dude. Yeah, English is also not my first language, but make it work, right? Adam is 5% staking coin. That should help. Maybe, right? Depends on how many people are actually staking it. Adam has a big update launching on the 18th. Yeah, dude, that could be bullish catalyst for action to the upside, right? That's just not technicals, that's fundamentals. Sure, man. It's actually already on the list, so I'll get to it eventually. Let's do XLM. XLM, what will it last? Bearish divergence, moved down here, took a pop at the 20, that's great. We didn't create anything else since. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low, and there, so to higher point. Neutral at 52.17. Not a lot happening here. On the 1 hour. Let's go to daily first. What do we have? Hidden bullish. Great. Pumping. Getting above the 31.93. Sitting at 32.46 right now, which is good. But really not super good. We really want to be above this 236 fib node at 36 cents. 36.11 cents. So high, low, positives, positive, high, low. Nothing there. Let's go to the 4 hour. Bearish divergence dropped. Did we manage to go high? Yep, we did. Great. Awesome. So from here to here. Again, we weren't live when that happened. That was at 2 in the morning, so I was fast asleep by that time. Maybe. I was fast asleep by the time. But from here to here, and high to low as well. So strong bearish divergence. Action to downside. We did move down on that. Again, catalyst for action to downside. Bearish divergence. Moving down. Hitting that 20. Trying to find support also at 31.93. Let's see if we can manage to pump from here. We don't have anything else that is bullish. So low, high, and less negative. Within the same island, we might, but don't want to put a lot of weight into this one. I mean, I'll just try it because it's there, but again, might not play out right. From there to there, and from here to here. That's all it has. On that note, some strong bullish short-term, hidden bullish, sorry. Short term, and probably where we're getting this action to the upside right now. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Dude, I'll put in a recap, Chief. I'll go when I go back to it, right? So I'll put it for the next round of recaps. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Band, I guess. So that's going to be after Arch, which is right after XLM. So again, we had the bearish divergence, moved down to that, took a pop, rejected it to 36, came back down. Still trying to hug that 31.93. We don't have anything else that is bearish. This one played, pumped, great. We don't have anything bullish right now. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Here we're coming higher, higher. That's that. Nothing else on XLM. Again, just sideways motion at 32. It didn't go as high as XRP. It also didn't crash as bad as XRP. So I guess it's holding its ground fairly well. Let's go to Arch. I can't find it. That's it. Someone requested Arch. I can't find it. Please tell me where you look at it and I'll check it out. ADA? Sure, man. I don't think anyone's requested ADA. So I'll toss in the list. Dollar is pumping for the dollar recently. You wonder why? Interesting. Right, so recaps, I guess. Bitcoin pumped a little bit, got above that 20. Great. Now this hour, starting to move down slightly. Let's see if we can find support at the 20. That could get us on track to retest 34,000. Even pumping from here would be great, right? We don't have anything happening besides this strong bullish here. Have this hidden bearish, but strong bullish usually trumps hidden bearish, so we should be looking for a continuation. Right now, within the channel that we spoke about on the 4 hour again, also right there, right? Hidden bullish. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum is not doing anything at $1,383. Facing resistance, great. Again, hidden rejection, right? Let's go. We had the strong bullish divergence. Let's go to the 1 hour. I don't think we had anything here. Again, hidden rejection once more. So we're really rejecting 1,387. We know we have great resistances traced here. Right now, bought at 66.07. So again, not really a lot happening for Ethereum. Let's go to band. Market's really not super exciting today, right? Band at 12.47. It did pump up a lot, right? Yesterday, 24%. Today, going up 11%. Yeah, it's been pumping a lot, dude. Again, bearish divergence starting to be built. Strong bearish divergence on the daily. We already hit the, we're very close to that 76 and rejecting. So we actually hit the $13, I guess. Yeah, $13 in rejection. 4 hour. We have the hidden bullish, pumping at that, nothing bearish. Overbought at 80.45. And on the 1 hour, right? We had the bearish divergence, move down, create a hidden bullish, and moving up on that. And right now, getting some retrace happening here. Are we doing something here? Dude, I think, let's see, where we close here. 1257.35, 1256, slightly less, right? Slightly less. Bought at 66.11, so yeah, you know, hidden bullish. Might try to get us to go higher. That is that for band. Let's go to the next wave. Dodge to Bitcoin, I guess. It's up next. So let's go Dodge. I'll go where I have my Dodges, see if I have, yeah, here it is to Bitcoin. I think we've done Dodge to Bitcoin in a while, so that's great. High, low. Right, I mean, right, first thing I'm noticing is this move here, which is gonna look really weird, but it's there for reals. Not here. I want to draw it there. I want to draw it on the MACD. Low to high, right? From here to here. Low to high. Slightly higher. Here we go. So, hidden. Bearish divergence. Extra downside moving down on that. Let's go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour high to low. Positive is positive. High low. Nothing here. Low high. Negative less negative. Low high. Neutral at 50.21. Not a lot happening here. Last thing we could have had. Moving way back here from here to here. And from pinpoint there, from here to here. Hidden bullish. Let's go to the 1 hour. All right. Back here, strong bullish divergence. I mean, this already played out, so you know, I'm just calling it because it's there, but it's not going to affect the current price action by any means, right? We already have so much history happening since that point back there, but you know, we have that. Low high, negative, less negative, low, hidden bullish. From in here, and from here to here. Neutral at 42.87. Dodge. Hidden bullish. Could be going up. Maybe it's at 20. Right now at 98 sats. That 20 being at 108 sats. Chance it could go there, right? That's target right now. Let's go to GRT. The graph. I'm not sure how or why so many people like the girth coin. That's just there, right? Let's go there. Graph to Tether, I guess, is the one we're using. So let's go on the daily. Oh, look, we had bearish divergence. Surprise, we pulled back down. So gonna anchor to where we actually close the day. Great, it's there. Neutral. Sorry, bought at 64.60. Not a lot happening on the daily. Moving down tonight or today. Awesome. It's still recover, right? It's super bullish. Still on bull trend. Bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. So what's gonna happen here? Let's roll with the 4 hour. Bearish divergence, move down, taking a pop. Higher, more positive, higher. Nothing bearish, coming back down. Might hit that 20 here at 7. What? Dynamic. Awesome, dude.
Please look at Exceed Me Crossed.
Sure, bro. We'll check that out. To you, I'll say...
Audience, say it with me. Legendary.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
What up, dude? Thank you very much for the awesome donation of $3.99. Great, man. I really appreciate that. And what else can I play for you, man? And no, what's up? Challenge accepted. Accept the challenge. Gonna check out Exceed right after the graph, right? So let me finish this. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high, neutral at 56.83. Those are the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, we created bearish divergence against the RSI, strong bearish divergence, before I actually started to move down. Great. Actually, downside now, low, high. Do I want to take these by parts or not? That's going to be the question. I got to zoom in for this. Yeah, I probably should take it by parts. So from here to here, it's 1. Right. What? What's that, dude? I don't think I've heard that one. Is that even on the soundboards, man? So again, we had hidden bullish divergence, took a pop, hit the 20, rejected it on the next candle, right? And now we're creating strong bullish divergence. See if we can manage to get this to pump, get above the 100% retrace at 76.02, and then get above that 20 at 77.68. Neutral at 41.55 on the graph. So very nice pump yesterday, right? And still going, right? I watched Full House. I just don't remember them saying, you got it. I wanted to get this one, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure, dude. So I'm gonna move to Exceed right now. I'm not sure what that soundboard's gonna be, but Exceed I have open here in a small chart to decide. I just gotta find it. I think it's this one. Yep, Exceed. Here we go. Dude, again, dynamic motorsport experience. You know this chart's horrible, man. I'm gonna try to do my best to look at it, and I'm gonna have to explain it verbally. The lines don't work the best here, man. I can get the indicators out, but the lines are horrible, man. Let's get the MACD and the RSI out here. Look, it's not even... I'm gonna have to reload. The indicators went somewhere accidentally, I guess. Let's get this MACD. And the RSI, there we go, man. Change the RSI to make it look a little bit better. And make the MACD just a little bit brighter. There you go. Dude, I'm actually gonna measure here. 94, 99. So first thing I'm looking at is this bearish divergence. It's gonna let me draw. It's not gonna let me draw properly. See? Oh, there we go. It let me anchor it. Now it's become like weird. There you go. Then low to high. It just makes it very horrible to draw, man. Low to high, right? So I'm looking at here. It's hidden bearish divergence, right? For potential action to downside. This just makes it so worse, dude. I hate using. I'm not sure why they didn't fix their interface. So it's just so much better, man. Maybe they don't even know they have that problem. Right, we have that hidden bearish divergence. That's why this price is stalling right now around 6.2, 62 cents. Sorry. From here, we were on low, right? Low, lower low, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to higher point. We had strong bullish divergence, fraction to the upside. We moved up, but just we manufactured that hidden bearish, and that's what's getting us to stall right now. So I'm gonna go on the 4-hour chart, see what we have there. Right, look, low, lower low. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do this, but I'm not gonna probably be able to do it all the time. It's not the best. There we go, low, lower low, negative, less negative, right? So again, strong bullish divergence, action to the upside, starting pumping that. Nothing bearish happening right now, so that's good, right? You're clear for takeoff on the 4-hour. Neutral at 49.79. Just the 1-hour has that bearish divergence, that hidden bearish divergence, right? So let's go to the daily. On the daily, we don't have anything to chart. Against the volume, I guess, is the only thing we called for divergence, but that was it. So again, the 4-hour, just with that strong bullish potential for action to the upside, right? Right now it's moving sideways because we know that on the 1-hour, we are creating the hidden bearish divergence, right? High, low, positive, more positive, right? High, low, so low to high. Am I too late for an algo TA? No, you're not late, dude. You're good, actually. That's gonna be the last coin, though. I think it's just been a weird night tonight. Not a lot of people in. 34. Well, we'll see, dude. Have 1, 2, 3, 4. We still have 3 more slots for coins. We'll see if anything else gets requested. Yeah. What else? Up next, the Sith coin. I'm not even sure if I'm actually going to be able to find this here. Someone requested this. I can't find it here, man. I can't remember who it was. They say I'm not joking, and the only thing I can find is like bear or bull to the USD tether or to the dollar, 3 times long on coin, and then the perpetual contract. So I'm not sure which one you're meant to look at, man. Who was it that requested this, man? Tristan Nilo requested this. So. Right, I'm not gonna be able to do a lot on CoinGecko, bro. But I'll check it out just for the hell of it, right? Oh, Jake, dude, check this out. I'm actually gonna take a snap cap of this real quick. Sorry, guys, one quick second. Market cap rank, leaked. Yeah, it's gonna be bullish, yeah, for sure, man. I keep rolling, dude. Soka says I might gotten shadow banned because I'm using XRP on the title. I'm not sure. Maybe. It could be right. I'm not sure why I got shadow banned tonight. I probably just should not put XRP on the title. I thought a lot more people were going to come in because of the dump, but, you know, completely opposite, right? Anyways, dude, yeah, I was gonna check this out here. I'm not sure what this project did. Why don't we look at this project? This is worth like 0.000002 cents. Does it even have history? Like, am I getting the? Is this like a new project or something? Sounds like it should be an old project. I'm looking at the yearly, man. Yeah. It's his name, right? It's just an S coin. Dude, I'm not sure why you want me to look at this here, but that's that. It's a 2 cents, man. Great. If it goes to 3 cents, you earned not 2 cents, but 0.00002 cents, dude. It's like not even worth a sat. That's how little it's worth. Yeah.
Nope.
Yeah, let's go to ADA, man. Move on to another coin. I don't think that coin's really doing anything for me tonight, so. Go back here. Let's go here and Thuffle. ADA, dude. ADA, what's ADA up to, man? Hitting bullish divergence. Took about. Did we not look at ADA earlier today? I could have sworn I was going to talk about it because I think I mentioned it because it pumped. I just haven't typed. Raffle. Right, man. I don't think I have anything for that. Anyways, hit that 40-cent mark again. Got above that 236 briefly, pulling back below 40 cents. Sitting at 39.83. We have some strong bearish divergence being built here, unfortunately. Right here, right, going slightly higher. Right here and from here to here, right? Bought at 62.76. So again, action to downside on that. Hot boxing, what's up? Thank you for being here, man. Sushi? Yeah, sure, we can do sushi. Cardano, what's up with Cardano? High, higher, high, positive, more positive, high, higher. Sorry, yep, what's that? Nothing bearish here, right? Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Pfft, nothing bearish at all, dude. Just bought at 69.51, that's it. I'll do the 1 hour chart. Again, it can go on pumping again, right? It looking pulls up, it's flagging. Not the most beautiful looking flag, actually kind of blocky and bad looking, but it's there, right? It's flagged nonetheless. Low, high, like low, high, right? Positive, more positive. Dude, you even had strong bullish divergence here before it actually pumped, and that's pretty cool, I guess, right? There we go. Let's just anchor that on the 1 hour. That's gonna be fine for now. And then from here to here. And from here to here, right? So strong bullish divergence before actually getting that small pump happening, and it's great, man. Actually, the upside, awesome. Nothing bearish, so it's clear for continuation if it wants to. Derek, it was hard to find my stream. Did something happen? Yeah, apparently shadow banned. Yeah, I think it's because of the XRP on the name. I'm not sure. Thank you, Derek, for being here, man. Much appreciated, though. Again, guys, thank you. If you like what we do, hit like the month sub. Kind of sucks that, you know, we got shadow banned today. Let's hope that's gone by tomorrow. Is XRP illegal or what? I'm not sure. Maybe like since a lot of people are talking about pumping it, you know, and the big drop that it had, probably a lot of people got hurt, and now they're shadow banning everything that has XRP in that name? I'm not sure, dude. I'm not sure why they shadow ban. Andrew, dude, thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Let's move on to Algorand. I didn't put anything on the list after that, so you know, let's do ADA, Algorand, Sushi. That's that. I'll say. All right, so what do we had on Algorand? Bearish divergence, right? Action or downside, moving down. Awesome. Bought at 63.26. Nothing else happening, so let's go to the 4-hour. High, higher, high, positive, more positive, high, higher, high. Nothing here, dude. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low, high. Neutral at 54.87. So not a lot happening on Algo on the 4-hour, just below the 20. You had that strong bullish divergence popped, drop. All right, look, low, and then higher low. And again, we're doing a triangle. Remember, I'm not sure if we called it on here yesterday. I delete them sometimes because, you know, just the fact that we know we talked about them sometimes is enough for us to know what could happen. But we're looking at something like this, right? Look at this. Right, so potential symmetrical triangle, a little bit down sloping, but still symmetrical. I'm not seeing anything here that it's like bullish, right? Let's see. Low, negative, less, negative. Not a lot, man. Ah, Derek, dude, thank you very much for that, man. I really appreciate that.
Audience, say it with me. Legendary.
Legendary, bro.
Thank you.
Thank you for the awesome donation, dude. You've, like, high horn even. There we go, man. Thank you for that, man. Much, much appreciated, bro. Thank you very much. Bob Mo, Ave. What's up with Ave, Bob? Thank you for being here, by the way. If you guys like what we do, hit the like button, sub, right? Join us on Discord, join us on Twitter. Thank you for streaming, even though I have less viewers, thanks to, or due to shadow ban. Yeah, I know, it's fine, dude. I don't stream, like, you know, I stream for, like, less than 38 people for the longest time. So, for me, like, sometimes I even kind of like the streams because they're a little bit more slow paced. I can catch up with the chat faster. Look, it's 11:25. We've gone through 28 projects already, almost. By the time we finish Sushi, it's gonna be 28 projects. So we got I'll go here. Thank you, Bob. If you need me to do a coin again, just go with that format, right? Add the set of crypto and then the asset. What I think the support will be for Algo? Sure, man. Let me finish this. So, all right, we're not doing anything. Support. We'll do it right now. If it moves down, support might be somewhere on this line that I just drew. And then if we break, we might have support around this area back here. Yeah, could look like we have manufactured something here. Look, resistance, right? Support, right? Resistance again. Support, 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 support wick. So maybe around 61.92, right? For support. That'll be potentially where I'll be placing something for Algorand. So by the time we finish Sushi, we're going to be at 28 coins. And it's not even midnight, right? Sometimes it takes me, well, like it's only like 11:26. So we did everything in like less time than usual. I guess that's because there's so much less chat going on. And I'm getting a lot less distracted. And that, like, you know, like that was a flow of the streams for the longest time. So I kind of like enjoy that also, like the small streams. I'm talking to Jake, see if we can do something on small streams for a few people, something more on private, where we can get more attention on a one-on-one basis. Maybe about an hour long, maybe 5 to 10 people tops on the stream. We'll figure out like something like that, but we'll still have the main streams though, right? I mean, it'll just be something smaller. It's gonna find like when I'm gonna be able to do it. It's gonna be once a week though. Right, for like a few select people that want to join that. And yeah, that could be you know, good because I get like you get more attention from me, right? Like on a one-on-one basis, and we don't have to do Bitcoin. Like the chat's not overhyped, you know. And I like this flow also, by the way. So like, you know, the small flow, the slow flow when there's not so many people makes it a lot better, I think. So let's go to Sushi. Sushi, we're looking for bearish divergence. Remember we said super bullish, like it might not play out. It didn't. Going above the 1618. Great, it did move down for a candle. That's that. Pumped again. Bearish divergence tracks. From here to here. From here to here, right? We still have it against the RSI, but not against the MACD. We kind of lost it against the MACD. In that note, let's go to the 4 hour. So the daily, Sushi has bearish divergence. Direxius on Twitch. Can I do EOS? You can't find a good support line? Sure, bro. Just because you cannot do add this to the crypto there. I'll put in the list for you, dude. I don't think we looked at EOS tonight. Love Mo, dude. I'm not sure. You said Aave, but I'm not sure if you wanted a request for that or just talking about Aave in general. So if you need it, do add this to the crypto and then Aave, and then I'll check it out, right? 4 hour. What's happening here, right? Again, bearish divergence, moving to downside. Great. Taking a pump, and guess what? Same high, same low, same different high. Look at this, right? Still strong bearish divergence for potential fluctuation to the downside on the 4 hour Sushi. So anything else that we developed was back here, and it would have been from here to here with some strong bullish divergence, but that's already in the past, already played. This has got us to have the small pump. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. Aave, sure, man. That's it. No more requests. That's 30 coins already. There we go. Great. Let's do something here. Did a great, man. Slightly higher. On the 1 hour, strong bearish divergence, action downside. You know, we did move down slightly. Now we're trying to pump back up again. That's fine. Could try to go higher still, maybe get to that $14 and a mark, and still we're gonna go higher. Less positive momentum, lower on the RSI, still have strong bearish divergence. We'll see, right? Crypto Central, what? Only 36. What you gotta know, dude? Shadow band. I know. I get shadow banned because I know, dude. Today, let's say I got wrecked. Apparently, because I have XRP on the title, man. That's the only thing that could be assumed, because XRP crashing, and apparently I got shadow banned from that. I'm the least controversial streamer. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. I try to keep it as neutral as I can and not get into trouble, man. I like doing this. I like being able to do this. But you know, whatever, man. Sometimes this stuff happens, so. We're bought at 72.19. That's it for Sushi. It still go up, right? Again, just because he has that bearish divergence doesn't mean it has to crash. XRP guard. Yeah, you know, whatever, man. It's damage is done. Like, even if I change the title, it's not going to leave to shadow ban, so I'm still going to get yeah. The things are done, so that's that. Let's go to EOS. We had more people come through, right? Like 208, which is very, very few. Because we were getting like 3,000 playbacks at least. And over 200 people, or 150 to 100 people. Yeah, right now it's just a fraction. That's fine. EOS. Let's go to EOS, man. And after that, we'll do Aave. With Aave, we'll close the requests. Requests are closed. Oh, dude, Aave, dude, we had some bearish divergence, which obviously didn't play, remember? Super bullish. So. We're in a bull trend of strong bullish divergence. Action to the upside. Hitting that 236. Rejecting. No, 236, that's out here. The 382 up here. Rejecting, that's fine. So, nothing bearish. Let's go to the 4 hour. Crypto Central, sure, man. I'll do a recap for ADA. I just covered a couple minutes ago, but I'll recap it. Again, I'm not sure if I'm able to track this divergence. Meaning, I'm not sure if it's still going to trigger. It might. $27, $25, $25. It just, if it was strong, it just turned to weak divergence. We lost it against the RSI. That's fine. And we have weak bearish divergence, fraction of downside, moving down on that, hitting that 20, taking a pump. That's great. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high, neutral at 57.89. Yeah, 57.98. Let's go on the 1 hour chart, dude. What? We are your favorite 50 people right now. Yeah, you guys are legit for sure, man. Thank you guys for being here. And the 50 likes, I guess. There's some straight up clown on crypto YouTube throughout the year. You're legit. Thanks. Thanks, man. Chief, I appreciate that, bro. XRP only something. I couldn't catch that. XRP only gets small pumps from those who can't face the fact it's never hitting $1. Yeah, you know, we talked about that yesterday. Told you guys a lot of people are going to get wrecked and a lot of people are getting wrecked on XRP. It's just sad to see that. So a lot of people are taking profit and taking advantage of people that don't know better, but it is what it is, right? So we're looking for the bearish divergence here. We didn't get it there. We did get it up here though, right? Low, high, negative, less, more negative, right? So we created strong bearish, then we created hidden bullish. Hidden bullish divergence for action to the upside. Yeah, but a lot of people are coming in here. Predictable? Yeah. Hot boxing, thanks for being here, man. Yeah, he naming names. The chief is not naming people. He's not a snitch because he knows snitches get stitches. Right, so hit bullish, taking a small pump, dude. There we go. Laugh a little. Neutral at 51.23. That's it, dude. That's it for EOS. Trying to get above that 20, but failing right now. Moving down, hitting that support. Not looking the strongest in the short term, but it does have that hidden bullish. Should reject at 21. So let's see if we can hold on to a 20. Try to pump again from there. But that's that. Let's go to Aave. Aave. And then we'll recap. Because we're done with coins, right? Aave and then recaps. Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA. The soundboard. Yeah, I got a soundboard, dude. Like, when was the last time you were here, dude? Were you here when I got my stream deck? I just been adding on stuff to it. You're saying Beat Boys? Yeah, not sure, dude. I don't watch a lot of crypto YouTubers, believe it or not. I stopped doing that a while back. So there's a lot of them that were overhyping projects. Traxius, thank you, man. Much appreciated. I still haven't gotten through your request, I guess. So, oh, that was EOS, dude. Yeah, what's a good support? I haven't answered that, right? So I moved to the downside. We might try to find some support. Maybe around this area, right? Look, we resisted, supported, right? We go with it. So maybe around 288 could be a good support on a down move. If we lost that 288 area, we might try to find something down here around let me go here. See support, right? So you're on 268. If we drop there, the 236 at 2.64 would be support. to the upside. Immediate resistance overhead at the 382, and that's at $3.17. Let's go to Ave. Like I was saying, dude, I stopped watching a lot of. Thanks, Drexus. Thanks for being here, very much. Appreciate it. The music stopped. Let's play something else. I stopped watching crypto YouTubers, dude. A lot of people started pumping coins and shelling projects, and not sure if they were like being like they're selling out because they wanted profit. That's fine. Like projects approach them sometimes, right, and say like, I'll give you so many coins, and we'll give you so many coins, and you got to do this and that. For me, that doesn't work too much. Like if I want to do something, it has to be like 100% open, and a lot of projects have actually not projects like crypto projects, but a lot of other, I'm not sure if I want to call them projects or platforms, have approached me and they want to do something, but I've been like basically telling them no. I said no. Who was the last one I told no to? Right, like for example, these guys here, like from DeFi Bitcoin, right? I just go like, thanks for contacting me. We're trying to figure out where we fit. Hope to receive proposals from companies like you, and then hope you consider us again in the future once we grow. So I've just been basically telling no to a lot of companies here, man. A lot of companies have been approaching me lately. I'm not interested in like selling out or doing stuff that like I don't believe in. So if it's a platform, I'll have to check it out. Like I'm sure might still have mod on channels, maybe, for sure. Cool, man. Yeah. Like for a lot of guys, that's the game, right? They get a lot of coins. They have a big following. They talk about the project, the coin pumps, they sell in the market, they dump in the market, they capitalize because, they get coins for talking about the project, right? They get paid in advance or something like that. So yeah, for me, it's not about that, right? Some companies have approached me, and right now I don't believe it's either the time for the channel, it's small. So I believe once it's bigger, I could probably get something better. But even then, I would definitely need to check out the platform. Or if it's for a platform, I would have to tell them, look, you got to give me some dough to play in the platform, see how it behaves, and then after that, I'll probably make an honest recommendation. But like some guys wanted me to play it and add and read a script, and I'm like, I'm not gonna do that, man. Like it has to be honest. So that's that, right? And they also wanted me to do it for free, and then they were gonna come back and tell me. Apparently I misunderstood that part, but it sounded like that they wanted me to do it for free. But I was like, no. You need to do this crypto stuff. What do you think of XLM? I think XLM is awesome, dude. It's a good project. It has some potential. I think we already covered it today. It was Coin 19. I might do a recap of it. Let's finish Ava and then start going with the rest, right? Let's go on the daily, dude. What do we have here? Bearish divergence, section of downside, moving down on that. Awesome, dude. That's that. Neutral, bought at 69.12. That's it, dude. Nothing else on the daily. 4 hour. Bearish divergence, strong action. Downside, moving down. Low, high, negative. Doing more negative. It looks like we're doing more negative. Yeah, negative, more negative. Wow. Cool. Hidden bullish. More hidden bullish. Hidden bullish divergence, right? Yet against the RSI, look at that. Crazy. Potential fraction to the upside. Pump hit the 20, rejected. Failed to drop lower in the previous low. We could try another get another crack at the 20. Still yet unknown for Aave very much, right? But we'll see, dude. It could try to go up against that 20 again and then try to get above that, but we'll see. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. What do we have there, man? Again, guys, thank you all for being here. If you like what we do, hit like the button, sub. Join us on Discord. Links in the description. I didn't get to use a lot of the soundboard today. It's kind of sad. No one actually made me use my, well, that is your opinion, man. Or from the dude Lebowski, right? Kind of sucks. I like that one. I might just play it for the hell of it. Just. Native does native. Awesome, dude. There we go. The chief has spoken. What's dedication, dude? What? What are you guys talking about? That's weird. One quick second, guys. Be right back. I'm back. Sorry, wife brought me tea, so great. Awesome. So, yeah. Let's finish Aave. Hit bullish. Nothing bearish. Low high. Positive or positive high higher. Great. Nothing bearish right now. Let's have that, sorry, not hidden, strong bullish divergence for a potential action to the upside. Let's see how this is going to keep on playing out here. What kind of tea? It looks like it's chamomile, mint, and honey. So, yeah. I said I was going to play this because no one gave me an opportunity to play tonight. So, here we go.
Yeah, well, you know, that's just like your opinion, man.
Oh, I also need to get the sound that the dude abides, right? That one I like. Yeah, I know. I like the Beetle Basket. I just haven't seen it in years, man. Anyways, that's that. Let's go to Bitcoin. And again, you know, I'm not sure, dude. I've seen a lot of people that when they have, or some, I've seen some streamers that when they have very few people that like they quit. But for me, like I've streamed like about a year ago to like 0 people. Nah, maybe less. At the beginning, I was streaming for like 1 person or 0 people, dude. So yeah, for me, like streaming to. Even about a month ago, right? 2 months ago, I was streaming for like 7, 10 people, 15 people tops. So for me, it's like, you know, it's cool. I like things. Yeah, Bitcoin's also above 34,000, right? So great. Let's go to Bitcoin. Not a lot going here. Ethereum long looking great. Yeah, dude. We're starting. No, we don't. Even high or positive. Great. Everything's good here on Bitcoin. 1 hour, right? It's just, remember what I said, right? We still have this strong bullish divergence. Hidden bearish usually gets strong by hidden bullish. We could try to get above 34,400 again. That's the actual resistance that we need to break. We just have not been able to break it consistently. Look, this, ignore this, right? That was the Elon pump, right? Or the Elon doing something on Twitter pump. But we just have been unable to get above this area for a while. So 34,000, that's why I said when we drop below that area, that reclaiming that area is going to be good for Bitcoin. We just haven't been able to properly reclaim it. So let's go to Ethereum. 1,393. Great, dude. And again, above 1,389, which is good. We're flirting with it. I'm glad that it's getting above that area, so it's pretty cool. Next target at 420 if we keep on moving up. Short-term Ethereum, though, just keep this in mind. Because we didn't have it earlier, but now we have it. Going slightly higher. Oh, I don't want to be the bad news bear, but here we go. Bearish divergence. See what I did there? That's why I called it the bad news bear. Yo, let's roll. Bearish divergence strong, potentially developing here. Potential fraction to downside. Let's move and do the XLM, right? Someone asked about it. XLM at 32.32. Great. Still holding on above 31 cents. So someone said about something about no, that wasn't for this. It was for ADA. So yeah, low high, negative less negative long. There's at the hard point. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish, right? We're just floating there, trying to hold on to that support at 31, getting above the 20 right now. Actually holding it at support now, slightly below the 20. So I'm gonna try to find support here again at 31, but really undecided. We're not seeing anything happening here that's super strong for XLM. Again, just sideways motion a little bit, slightly upsloping. Right, hidden bullish. That's that. Hidden bullish divergence. That's the last thing we have. So let's go and check out ADA, man. ADA at 40.49 cents. Someone's asking if we're going to hold this area. We pulled back up, which is pretty good. I guess we're going down, but we're flirting the actual target to be above. Someone said like if it's going to stay above 40 cents. Target to be above 40.71, right? And closing in and maybe try to even move above this area here, the 236 or the no, not the 236. Is it the 236? I can't remember which one I have there, but it might be the 236, and that is above 41. It might be the 2618. Let me check. Yeah, 2618. It looks very close to my 236. That's why. But, yeah. 2618, we want to be above that area, right? We want to be above that 41.76 cent mark. So that's actually what we should be striving to be on ADA, right? Oh yeah, dude, a lot of projects have been being charted here for a while. We have all the calls here, so now I have to delete data. The chart is asking me to delete data, so I'm probably gonna delete the Cardano chart. A lot of data on the Cardano chart. At least from like way back here, man. That's the 1 hour though. Look, I have data on the 1 hour since almost since it starts here on June 20th. This is, you know, it doesn't keep data going farther back, but the 4 hour has data for June also. So this is June, yeah, 6 months of Cardano. Basically since Steve got here and requested Cardano nonstop, that's since we've been doing it. Oh no, I moved that. There we go. Let's go here and where's this thing, man? Yeah. Yep. I'll be right back, guys. Give me one quick second. Stick with me through this small intermission. I haven't really gotten up the chair a lot, and I just stretch my legs very quick, so be right back. I'm back. Thank you guys for sticking with me through that small break. Now, I'm here 100% for you guys. So if you have any questions, let me know, because we just went through everything, man. We can just chill, talk crypto, talk whatever. 2-hit shot. Hey, you've been here, man, on Twitch. So you guys know, like, let me know what you want to do. Because for me, like, we went through everything. We went through 30 coins, a lot of recaps, at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 recaps, you know, in less than the time we usually do it in. So great. I'm just here to discuss whatever you guys want to discuss. Bitcoin at 34,100. Great. It's still going up. Awesome. That means Ethereum's probably going up. Oh no, Ethereum's rejecting a little bit. Oh no, the bearish divergence might be kicking in. Let's hope not. But dude, Cardano's gonna go up. Sure, we'll check it. Cardano, man. I'm actually gonna do markets. We haven't done markets today, so after ADA, I'll go to markets. Yes. What's the next coin to get targeted by? I'm not sure, dude. Like I said, I stopped watching a lot of YouTubers, crypto YouTubers. I stopped watching I don't hang out a lot on crypto Twitter. Like a lot of my feed is crypto Twitter, but you know, I tend to not look too much into that. I don't want my analysis to be affected by other people's analysis sometimes. And I should start hanging out with more crypto people, though, I guess. Someone said Cardano get up. Maybe. I mean, if it gets above 40 cents, it has a chance. 40.7, right? So as a target. And then actually much better if it gets above 41.74 or whatever this area is here. Sorry, 41.17 or no, 41.77. That's a target, right? Trampus is here. Dude, thanks for being here, Trampus. Haven't seen you in a while, man. Thanks for being here. To you, I'll say, what's up? Yo. Too much FOMO out there? Yeah. Too much fun also. Oh, dude, no. Like the next coin to be pumped, that's just, you have to be on, like, you know, the Twitter groups or like Twitch groups. Not Twitch, but the Telegram groups or the Reddits where they're all getting together to like figure out what coin to pump next. That's not my style, though. You're after bad. Thank you, Group Central. I'm gonna go to markets real quick because we haven't done them. So someone asked about them, so let's go there, man. What's up with the gold? Moving up a little bit, I guess. Let's check it, dude. Yeah, I moved up a little bit yesterday. 74.74% today. Moving down slightly at $1,856.05. Silver did pump a little bit more, right? Jake might know or might not know some Discord groups, I guess. So silver did pump a lot. It hit $30 at some point in time, even 30 and change. Let's see, 30.9 cents. Now it's pulling back down again. The pump wasn't super strong. I'm not sure if it's already being orchestrated or not. There was a lot of chatter about like shorting silver or crashing silver shorts by pumping the price. Did I exit AMC? Yeah, I exit AMC. Can I check out Bitcoin to gold? Yeah, why not, dude? Yeah. I mean, we knew we were going to get a silver pump on, you know, things happening. People want to short it. Like, people want to screw the banks that are shorting silver because it's heavily undervalued against gold. You know, whatever. I'm not sure they're going to have enough capital to pump silver that much, but we'll see, right? It's all to be determined, right? Probably, or the capital is tied up on GME and AMC. But someone said, yeah, it was an AMC. Let's silver, that's silver, right? Again, getting pushed back. No bearish divergence. SLV also rose to 28. Dow Jones pumping a little bit, right? We had that divergence, moved up. Not a lot, 229 points, but still, good move. Dow Live still moving up today, so we might have a green day tomorrow also for the Dow. Might want to retest that 20 for support. S&P, 59.62. Awesome. Going up, heading for that 20 on the hidden bullish. LSCS London Stock Exchange for some reason is not being brought up today. Invalid symbol. But I do have the FTSE 100, which is, I guess, what we're going to look at now. Lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Nothing bullish. Pumping again, probably with the rest of the markets. Let's see, low, high, negative. Let's see, finding anything bullish here. Let's go to Nikkei. Up 227 points. All markets moved up apparently today. I had the hidden bullish pumping. Toronto. $205, right? High, low, nothing bullish, right? But also moving up with the rest of the markets today. So all markets moved up today. That's pretty good. West Texas oil at $54. Oil also moved up. Great. We're creating bearish divergence still. Again, oil is just being propped up, I think, because it's not really going super strong. It's just goes up very slightly. Look, high to low, right? Positive to negative, high to low. So that's that on oil. Bought at 66.77, and Brent oil probably gonna have the same thing at $56.98. Look, we're also coming higher right again. We had the hidden bullish, that's great. Still moving up. Awesome, dude. We haven't made positive momentum yet, so we can still go up higher before we actually trigger this, because, you know, this divergence is just here to a negative momentum. On the RSI, we also have it, and we're bought also at 64.65. That's that. David Musialik. Silver pump, nothing crazy. Relatively low. I know, dude, it wasn't that insane, right? Someone wanted me to look at Bitcoin gold. Sure. Bitcoin to gold. It's at 18.29, and you said same time scale. I was doing the weekly on log scale. And for that, I have to hide the Trollinger bands. Right, so on the bearishness, I'm not seeing anything bearish. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher, great. Yeah, we could also say that we're doing parabolic advances here, right? Look from here to here. LB1, right? Easy, discernible. So easy to see. I'm gonna try to get it to where it hits support. There we go. Right, supports here didn't quite hit it. Support, support, support. Great. And then we'll go from this low to here now, I guess. 2021, 2022 has to end somewhere around here. There we go. Let me retrace this one then. I know this one a little bit better. Right? Something like that. And the first one should have been here. Right, so yeah, 3 parabolic advances. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to pinpoint exactly the same thing as I had in the other one. Maybe. Oops. Really, from here, we're coming definitely from low to high, right? So that's that. And if I go there, we're ignoring that bottom here. So I'll just draw the resistance where we hit, and I could target to 389, right? So I'm not sure what you want me to do here. WSB is not pumping silver. Yeah. Thank you, Blazing Eyes. Dude, someone on on D Live. Awesome, dude. Not a lot of people watch on D Live, but thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. I'm not even sure what I'm supposed to do with the stuff I get here. Someone gave me a diamond on D Live. I'm not sure what that makes or that means. I need to figure out what to do with stuff on D Live. I'm not even here that much, but thank you for being here, dude. On D Live. People on Twitch also. Great. I already checked XLM to hit shot. It was just very quick, dude, because we already did it in detail earlier. But let me know what you need. You just put a question mark, so I'm not sure precisely what you need, man. So, dude, who was it that said this? Who was it that requested Bitcoin to gold, man? I can't find the comment. Oh, here it is. Firebeard. What do you need with this, bro? I'm not sure what you want to look at. Here's the same chart. More or less same things happening. Not sure what you need here, man. Let me know. All right, I'm not sure what you want me to look at here. I'm on the weekly. I'm not seeing a lot of stuff happening here. Low, high, positive, more positive, high, higher, right? So I'm waiting. Dude, you know, look, here you have two assets that tend to appreciate when the dollar drops, right? So if the dollar drops, it just basically is gonna, like, the parity between the gold and Bitcoin is gonna become how much Bitcoin sustains, right? And how much the other project or how much gold pumps, right? And that's how you're gonna basically move one against the other, but they both are gonna go against the dollar. So the dollar drops, it's just gonna depend on how much Bitcoin pumps and how much these gold pumps, right? If gold pumps 2% and Bitcoin pumps 10%, we have something completely different. The crazy Scott is here. Thank you for being here, man. Sure, why not? I mean, they did close requests, but since I'm just chilling, because I don't have a lot going on right now, but yeah, we'll do that. Why not? I'm not sure why they're putting white in the chart. I mean, it's just look, if you're owning gold and like, dude, for this you just have to go against the DXY, right? And if you're expecting the dollar index to drop, or the dollar to drop in value against the basket of goods that it quotes against there, or the basket of currencies that it quotes against there, you would be expecting for gold to potentially increase in value. The difference in this chart is just basically going to be how much gold is pumping against the dollar versus how much Bitcoin's pumping against the dollar. So the only reason to look at this is if you're wanting to do a move from Bitcoin to gold, maybe, and you'll know that you'll get 18 units of gold per one Bitcoin, right? That's just that. So I'm not sure why a lot of people look at this. So yeah, I mean, I'm not sure what they're correlating this to. I mean, it kind of looks a little bit like the dollar chart, to be honest. Right? Not too different, but look at that, right? Right, I'll zoom out a little bit, but that's the Bitcoin chart. Again, the one we look at, and this is the other one, right? So see that, and see that. It's almost like looking at the same chart. So I'm not seeing what we want to look at here. It's just that gold hasn't really moved a lot, right? Ethereum 1,400. Let's go, man. Let me go to UTK, and then I'll just run by Ethereum. No, 1,393. It's pushing back. Oh no. Let's go UTK, man. For Scottish friend, Ben. It's great that you're here. Let's go UTK, man. Let's get on the daily. Let's get out of the log scale. Let's see what we looked at this last time we were looking at this, bro. What? Some hidden bullish? Yes, it's pumping. It's a pumping, man. I don't think we have anything here for fibs, so we're gonna go with this. It's still going high, right? So hidden bullish, going up higher. Great. ADA dropping fast. Oh no, Bernardo. We're gonna check out ADA also, I guess, on the recap. I told you where ADA needs to be above, right? 40 plus cents, so. Recap ADA, those are UTK. High, positive, less positive, right? Starting to create bearish divergence right now for potential action to the downside. Oh no, it might drop down. High low also, right? So positive is positive. Great, we're looking for potential movement down on this. Again, this starting to build is just the third bar that we're making, or third column that we're making on positive momentum. We can go on building, right? But right now we have this bearish divergence. To me, that just gives me a warning that we might be looking for potential movement down. We'll see. Still above the 20. All good. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. What do we have here? Last thing we're looking at here was bearish divergence. We track that onto there. Still plays to the downside. That's great. Move this down. Awesome. Not a lot happening. Low, high, negative, or negative. Again, some hidden bullish here. Move down, hit the 20, below the 20 slightly, right? So we have this hidden bullish action to the upside. Great, man. Do we have it here? Yes, very slight, but we have also that divergence here from here to here. Hidden bullish, pumping, high, positive, less positive, more bearish divergence. Oh no, we're moved down on that. Great. Look at that. We don't have it against RSI, going higher, and now higher still. So no hidden bullish here, right? Just continuation after hitting support at the 20, bouncing higher, high, positive, more positive. Higher, nothing else. Last thing we have is the hidden bearish that moved us down. Now we're bouncing, so we're kind of getting rid of that. Sorry, not hidden. Strong bearish divergence, moved down, found support. Last thing we had was the hidden bullish. That could give us continuation. Bought at 68.59. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Right, so within the same island, we're creating bearish divergence. First of all, I'll call this one, which is the latest one that we have. Strong bearish divergence for action to the downside. Oh no. So there we go. Here we go, and we also have it here, right? Look at that. From right here. Strong bearish divergence. Did I anchor this in the 1 hour? Yep, great. Now from back here, right, look, high, higher high. From the previous high, right? Look at that, high to low. Bearish divergence. Do we have it here? Nope. Just against RSI, strong bearish divergence. Potential fraction to downside. Here we created some strong bullish here. We're actually pumped. So again, sometimes we don't find the answer in the 4 hour, and that's fine. You come to lower time scales to find answers, right? The whole point is, like, you know, you have to find, like, know where to look or what to look for. Also back here, look low, slightly lower, right? Negative, less negative. We don't have it against RSI, that's fine. High, positive, less positive, right? Strong bearish divergence before we actually move down here. So again, you know what to look for. You can find out, like, how the moves played, right? So strong bullish, pumped. Strong bearish, dropped. Strong bullish, pumping. Now strong bearish. Potential action downside. We might go to the 20. 20 being at 26.80. That's going to be that for this. So right now, last thing we have is bearish divergence. Potential fraction to downside. Someone said ADA is dropping fast. Oh my goodness. Let's go to ADA. Because apparently it's dropping a fast. At 40, dude. What? Dude, it's not dropping fast. Bernardo Costa, it's not dropping fast, man. It's just barely dropping 33%. 0.33%. What the hell? Why Why you coming in and say it's dropping fast, dude? If you just keep crying wolf, I'm not gonna believe you when something happens, man. You know, like that tale about the kid that cried wolf. Let's go to Ethereum. Jake was telling me that I was gonna get to 14K. It's still not there. It drops only but recovered. Yeah. Jake was worried because he has a 88 long. Yeah, I was worried that we're gonna get like a really bad drop. It's not really dropping that bad. Still within 40 cents, man. Ethereum touch 14. Yeah, here we got to 13.99.50, so half a cent off. Yeah. Oh, half a dollar off. Sorry, not half. 50 cents off. There we go. Corrected myself.
Sorry.
Yeah. Maybe another chart did, right? I'm not saying it didn't. This chart, 13.98. This chart, 13.99.90. This chart, 14.01. There we go. See, and in one chart it did get there. Yeah. Awesome, we got 53 likes tonight. That's so cool, guys. Again, I know everyone that's here is probably already subscribed, but if you like what we do, hit the like button, the sub. Tesla's moving. I have two Teslas. I can't remember which one we look at. I think it's this one. Yeah. Had the bearish divergence dropped. Great. Found support at the 50%. Bouncing above the 20. Great. Not a lot. Low, high, negative, less negative. Low on their RSI to a higher point. Yeah, that's that. Nothing on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. Bullish divergence. Pop. Hit that $3.04 mark. Rejecting. Hit that lower part again at the 50%. Now bouncing back up. Getting above the 20. So yes, it's also not doing a lot since we last looked at it. 1 hour chart, I guess. High, higher, high, positive, more positive, high on their side to higher point, high, low. Positive, positive, high, low. Bought at 60.28. It's not really doing the craziest thing. It's in a channel. Like, I'm not super excited for this. It's been in this channel since January 25th, so at least almost 5-6 days, right? So it's gonna be it, dudes. I think I'm gonna call it a night for tonight. Finish early. Not a lot of people in the stream, but that's not the reason. You know, we already covered everything that we're supposed to cover tonight. And then some, right? So, gotta take advantage of that. Try to, like, cash in, like, extra minutes of sleep tonight. It's Cryptocurrency 3. It needs to break. Yeah, it needs to break, man. Guys, thank you for being here again. This is State of Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Monday night. Now, Tuesday morning. I hope you had a great stream with me. I hope we had a great trading day today. Again, if you like what we do, talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. Remember, all the information that we produce here is for entertainment and education purposes only. Do not trade based on what you see here. It's all for, like, you know, education. If you believe any other information that we produce here, it's of value. It could be of value to friends or, like, you know, people that you know or other people on social media. Help us retweet our streams so that more people can be aware of the channel. They might join. Tell other people about the channel. Like, that will help us grow. That would really help out a lot. And as always, hit the like, the bell, and sub, right? That's gonna be all for tonight, guys. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Until then.